We are back like we never left. Oh man, it's time to party. It's Thirsty Thursdays here. We're doing it live. We got numbers coming out here at 8:30. Got about 30 seconds till these numbers come out. Market right now ready to go. Just don't know where it wants to go, right? You know what I mean? You never know what it wants to do, but we're gonna find out here. Initial jobless claims numbers coming out. So initial jobless claims, we're getting ready for Thursday. Tomorrow, the equities market is closed. So I'm interested to see how today plays out. Right now, little push, little poppity pop. I cannot believe this right now. I seriously can't believe it. I can't believe it, chat. I don't even understand it. How is it possible that we have just gapped up once again? It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. The market refuses to go down. Absolutely refusing to go lower. So, oh man, I really don't know. So yesterday, obviously FOMC, the news that came out there, Kevin Warsh, Trump said on the Fed's decision to leave the rates unchanged, it's all right. We have a very good guy over there now, so I'm guided by what he wants to do. Story here is that the market is dropping in response to the Fed's first meeting with Kevin Warsh as Fed chair for one key reason. We'll have far less information going forward. During the press conference today, Fed Chair Warsh announced that the Fed has dropped forward guidance. He even hinted that the dot plot could be changed or eliminated along with all forms of communication from the Fed, such as policy statement and press conferences. In other words, the market will now have less Fed outlook, which means more uncertainty. On top of this, the 5 new task force established by Warsh were said to have grand objectives with minimal guidance on what to expect. As markets have repeatedly proven, uncertainty and volatility go hand in hand. The new era of Fed policy will come with more volatility. That's the story as of right now. So, says that the Fed left rates unchanged for the 4th straight meeting. 9 out of 18 officials expect at least one rate hike this year. Fed lowers its median U.S. GDP projection from 2.4 to 2.2. Fed now sees PCE inflation not returning to its 2% target until 2028. Fed says inflation remains elevated relative to their goal. Today, Fed's decision was reached in a unanimous 12-0 vote. The Fed appears to be bracing for more inflation. Who would have thought? Who would have thought more inflation? Never would have thought. I mean, I never would have thought. And nobody would have ever told me that there'd be more inflation. I never thought that would happen. No shit, Sherlock. We're all fucked. Absolutely fucked. Also, big question that I have for the chat now. Big question. Denny, how'd it go last night? I saw he made some money. He was live for like 4 hours, did 15,000 views. Denny killed it last night, they said. All right, well, you know, I don't want to brag, but, you know, hey, I found him. I picked him. I put him in there. I knew he could do it. That's my boy. That's my boy. That's my boy. That's my boy. Little Denny. Let's go, Denny. Let's go, Denny. Gotta love it. Hey, man. What can I say? I'm good at what I do. You know, I'm good at what I do. Putting the right people in the right place to make a little bit of money. The great thing is, man, at some point, I'm just going to be able to retire. I won't even have to stream anymore. I'll just be able to live on my yacht. I'll be able to travel around the world and just make money. Make money. Make money. That's always been the dream, right? Everybody wants a dream of just being able to make a little bit of money. You know, you just want to make a little bit of money, basically. So we are getting ready here for Thursday. It's an interesting situation because obviously, you know, well, the market's closed tomorrow. Equities are closed tomorrow. Futures will be trading tomorrow, but equities are closed because of Juneteenth or whatever the name of that holiday. I don't even fucking know anymore. We got just make up holidays all the time now. We have a holiday for everything. The question is, who the fuck wants a holiday? Not me. I don't need no holiday. I don't need no break. I don't want no time off. I want to go. Turn this market on 24 fucking hours a day, 7 days a week, baby. Making the money. That's right. Make a little bit of money. Today, I'm interested. I'm very, very interested to see what the fuck happens because this market has been absolutely cooked. It's rigged. It's not real. Every time we sell off, we just pump right afterwards. Like overnight, just pump right back up. Every fucking time. I will say we did fill the gap, right? We had that big gap that we talked about. We talked about it on the... we talked about it. What the fuck? Why is it like that? Where's the button for the regular trading hours? Where'd it go? Am I retarded? How do you get it? How do you show the electronic trading hours? It's normally on the bottom down there. Why is it not there? What the fuck? That's really weird. Where'd it go? All right, well, SpaceX is moving back down. I'm happy that I sold SpaceX. I'm out of SpaceX. I am out of SpaceX. Looking here at the QQQ, we talked about this yesterday, right? I said that, you know, I was pretty fucking confident that we would fill that gap. Pretty fucking confident, and guess what we did? We filled that fucking gap, boys. Oh yeah, we filled it. We went even lower down there to the 720s and then ramped right back up now. So I guess all-time highs is coming. All-time highs, I don't fucking know. It's all a scam. You know, let's be honest. It's all a scam. So market only goes up. Market only goes up. That's right. Just like the BDH. The BDH only goes up. You know what I mean? One of these. The Nasdaq loves the shocker. You got 2 in the pink, 1 in the stink. Or if you want to get freaky, 2 in the stink, 1 in the pink. Hey, or you do the Star Wars, you know, a little 2 and 2. A little 2 and 2. Denny taught me that, actually. He was telling me last night about that. I never knew about anything like that before. And then Denny was teaching me about that stuff. I was a little confused why he was teaching me, but, you know, hey. Denny's like, hey, man, I can help you. I know all the tricks. He said. I was like, oh, well, I mean, okay, if you know all the tricks, Denny. Sounds like a plan to me. Denny. Big shout out to Denny last night. Absolutely killing it. The chat's loving it. The people are loving it. The world's wanting it. Now Denny has to make you pancakes. He's got to make me pancakes. Oh, man. The old live long and prosper. Live long, prosper. Oh, man. Still can't believe that Denny had 15,000 views. I mean, you know, could you believe it or could you believe it? You know what I mean? If you think about it, I can believe it. It's the power of the BDH, baby. Come on. Look at that. A gay Asian teaching the shocker. I don't think Denny's Asian at all. I don't think he's Asian. I think he just got little Asian eyes. I don't know. Oh, I did love the fact that he said that his wife is Mexican and she doesn't drink. I was like, Denny, why you try to stereotype Mexicans as they have to drink? That was a little weird, Denny. I don't know why he said that, but he said it, not me. Someone said I think he's black. Wait, I don't know, man. Asians are taller than Denny. True. You take your trades on live on here? That's dope. Oh yeah, buddy. We're gonna get live. We're gonna get crazy. I'm gonna take my clothes off. Oh, yeah. Right now, looking at the Nasdaq here, we got, obviously, the market still coming up here. We had a little bit of numbers come out there at 8:30. Not much of a move. Overnight, it's been pump, pump, pump. A little bit of a pullback, kind of pulled back. Top of the range again here overnight. 30,500 levels. So if we're going to pull up the chart, we're going to look at it. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. El Cholo said he can't wait to see Denny take his clothes off. What? You can't wait for Denny to take his clothes off? It's a little gay, bro. It's a little gay. You're just being a little gay now, okay? Just a little bit. Just a little poquito, poquito, poquito. Poquito, poquito. Let me I gotta fix this up real quick here, shit. Oh yeah, now I'm gonna be looking real good. I'm gonna be looking real good. Beautiful. Oh fuck, I might be too dark now. How does that look? Am I too dark now? Maybe brighten up a little bit. Who that? Oh, where the fuck is that? I can't find the other remote. I charged one. Where'd you charge it at? You got a secret charging spot? I took all the ones I could find, but none of them work for the TV out here for some reason. Yeah, so now I gotta just watch fucking Fox News over there. Fuck, Ginger! Oh my god, we're screwed. There should be a lot more remotes somewhere, right? Well. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's hope. Oh no! No! Knicks championship parade. That's, I mean, who's gonna go to the parade?
Here they are.
I know. I tried all of them. None of them worked. Literally, I've been here for an hour trying this. Ask Alex. Been yelling and screaming, trying to punch the wall. I turned everything off in the whole fucking place.
Well, I think but that does, did it charge?
I mean, they work. You can see like the lights flashing. God damn it. We got a lot of we got a whole situation here with these Pokemon cards we got to talk about later. Got multiple shipments, multiple packages, multiple things to be print. Got about $500,000 worth of Pokemon cards there, Ginger. Don't fuck it up.
The other one is already
in the mail. Ginger's my Pokemon person. Pokemon. I got a bunch of Pokemon cards I'm gonna submit to PSA. Hopefully get some good grades. I've got a couple cards that if they grade as a PSA 10, they're $80,000. So, yeah. I would love to hit the jackpot on a few Pokemon cards. I've got a lot of Pokemon cards. You guys got Pokemon cards? How many people in the chat own Pokemon? Tell me I'm not the only one. PW, were you streaming from Hawaii years ago? Bovine Trades. Bro, I wasn't streaming from Hawaii. I was living in Hawaii. Yeah, I was streaming from Hawaii. It's me, bro. Do I look different? This guy's like, are you the guy that used to... Did you used to stream on YouTube live from Hawaii? Because you look familiar. You do look familiar. I don't know what it is about you, but you look familiar to me. That's me, man. I'm the guy. I'm the guy, man. Did you rip the packs to find them? I did. I did. Savage Trade says he's got a bunch of unopened Pokemon cards. Well, you better open them. You better open them. Barefoot Greenback said he threw away millions of dollars worth of Pokemon cards because of kids. Yeah, fuck those kids. You call those kids right now and you tell them, say, hey, little assholes, I could have been a millionaire, but you little fuckers, you ate your Pokemon cards. Your crayons and Pokemon cards fucked up. I do remember being back in the day, dude. I had so many first edition fucking Charizards. Oh my god. I had a whole binder just full of fucking first edition Pokemon cards. I think I traded all of them for an iPod. That was terrible. Worst trade of my life. I traded away like $10 million worth of Pokemon cards for an iPod. For a fucking iPod. Oh my god. Wisdom wins. You got X-Men cards? How are those going? What's the X-Men? What's the hard? What's that? What's that? How'd that go? How's that go? What's the hot X-Men card right now? You get like which one is hot right now, you know? Which one's hot? Which one's hot? Should I buy some X-Men cards, you think? You just give me some X-Men? I can't believe Denny last night, man. The guy's on fire. You should have seen him. He was like a fucking he was hard. He was hard the whole stream, man. He was telling everybody, I don't know why, but he kept telling everyone how hard he was. And he doesn't care. He said, I don't care what the chat thinks. I'm hard and no one's gonna stop me from being hard. I said, Denny, you don't have to keep talking about how hard you are. He said, no, I'm hard. And no chat is gonna troll me. And I said, well, what about why don't you just trade and don't talk about how hard you are? The whole night he kept talking about, I'm hard. I'm like, dude, we get it. We do get it. We do understand what you're saying, but you know, maybe don't keep talking about it. Oh man, we got quite the lineup now. We got the D Money show, we got the Denny Dallas show. We need another D. Anybody else out there with a name that starts with D that wants to become a millionaire? Come work at the BDH. Send an email to g@onlyprofitfirms.com. Actually, though, I'm not even joking right now. I'm actually serious. If you speak Spanish, you're 6 foot tall, you have blue eyes, you're hot, and you're a female, please email ginger@onlyprofitfirms.com. That you must meet all requirements. Blue-eyed, Spanish-speaking, 6 foot tall, and you need to have big boobs as well. So please send an email to ginger@onlyprofitfirms.com. It's not for me, it's for the BDH. But if you want to send more provocative photos to really get Ginger's attention, that might help. I'm just saying. You know, I'm just saying. I'm not condoning it, but I'm just saying. If you want to stand out, it might be a way to stand out. If you send a dick pic, we're going to post it on Twitter, so don't send a dick pic. Because we will post it publicly. And if we'll let everybody see it. And we will tag you and everything. So don't be a weirdo. Don't be a weirdo. Right now, Nasdaq, I'm over being a bear. I can't. I've committed to this now. Only getting long, never shorting, never believing the market's going to go down, and just closing my eyes and hoping and praying. I put $500 million on the QQQ because it's only going to go up. It's only going to go up, chat. I cannot do this anymore. I do want to say, like I said, the gap, it obviously got filled, right? The gap got filled. You can't deny that. Nobody can deny that. Nobody can deny that. The gap has been filled. So that happened yesterday. I'm interested to see if that's going to be the rocket ship to take us higher now. Big pump overnight here as well. We closed down there at 722 on the QQQ, and now we're back at 734. It's almost like the market's rigged, you know? I mean, it's hard to believe that after that big dump yesterday, and then this push all the way back up, that we're not going to go for all-time highs. Maybe not today, but in the near future. You know, near future, I don't see how we don't go, 31,200. We filled the gap, the Sunday night gap as well. Crazy. Where the fuck's Denny at? I told him to come in at 10. God damn, why would I say that? I need Denny here. I don't know. I was drunk last night. I was drunk on Denny. I was just so excited. He's made me so excited. Dude, this guy, he's taking off right now. I'm a little jealous. Everybody's so excited to see Denny. Denny. It's always Denny this, Denny that, D money this, D money that, Denny. You can see last night, the guy, look at this guy. He is angry. He is mad. He's ready. Denny. Oh yeah, that's my account. It just keeps going up. Just to the moon, basically. But this is the 3. We're gonna have the hangover soon. Me, Denny, and D Money hitting up Vegas, getting freaky. Denny Dan. Look at this guy. Somebody said he should fix his tooth, and he said that his wife likes the way he looks, so he ain't fixing it. You're not gonna rattle Denny, people. You're not gonna rattle him. He's a brick wall. He's rock hard all the time, he said. You can't stop him. He's been in the military. He's heard everything. Every joke possible, he's heard it. You are not gonna get Denny rattled, my friends. You are not gonna get him rattled. You're not gonna get him rattled, I'm telling you. You are not gonna get him rattled. All right, we're getting ready. Thursday, like I said, stock market's closed tomorrow. Futures will trade tomorrow, but the actual stock market itself is closed tomorrow. So I'm interested to see if we'll get kind of a pump today on the kind of like a Friday pump, but not, you know what I mean? It's like a Friday pump, but it ain't Friday. We had initial jobless claims as well. Looks like a small increase, but nothing out of the norm. The estimation was 1789,000. I don't know, I don't even know what that means. But it was a little above it, but not by much. And right now the market just pushing back up here. Oh man, I feel like if we get above this, remember this area yesterday was a lot of resistance. Here we got stuck there multiple times. I feel like if we get above that, well then, pumping through, through all that would not be that hard. Because if you look, Tuesday we had some big drops, but there wasn't a lot of structure there on the hourly chart. We kind of bounced here, went lower, put some lows, went down there. So we'll see what happens. Maybe we get kind of an inverse head and shoulders type of move where we'll get a little pullback here and then we ramp out of it later on today. Anything's possible. You never know what's going to happen. You never know what you're going to see at the BDH, baby. They don't call it the BDH for nothing. They don't call it the BDH for nothing, my friends. That's right. It's big. It's big. Man, it's just crazy. I'm looking at some Pokemon sales lately. This guy right here, this card right here sold for $62,000. A Japanese Pokemon card. We got the, looks like Mickey Mouse cards are taking off now. Oh God. This one right here, 2000 Pokemon Japanese promo Champion Road Mega Battle number 1. Just sold for $103,000. G.I. Joe box from G.I. Joe back in the day cost $120 in 1987. It sold for $26,000. Crazy, man, crazy. Ooh, I have one of these cards actually. I'm submitting one of these cards for grading. It's a $100,000 card in a PSA 10. Come on, baby. It's crazy. It is honestly crazy. Just how much these cards are going up. Legendary Collection Reverse Holo Charizard. Do I have one of these? I think I have one of these. I'm not sure. Maybe I do. Maybe I don't. I do have one of these. But I don't know if it's going to be a PSA 10. We'll find out. Shining Charizard. Crazy, crazy, crazy. What else is... I don't know. I don't know, man. It's like everything old is now becoming expensive. Does that mean that you should just buy everything today and hold on to it for 50 years? Maybe. Maybe. The question is, what today will be worth a lot of money in 20 years? What do you think, chat? What would be your guess? If there was something that was selling today in, normal sales, what would it be What would be worth a lot of money in the future, you think? Nira said, I wish I had my brother's 2004 Pokemon cards. Me too, brother. Me too. Real meat. Oh, I like that. I like that. Your t-shirt, I'll sell it to you. QQQ. Unopened original iPhone. Yeah, that'll probably be worth a lot. Gold. BDH. BDH is for sale. My Porsche 911 back there. I agree with you. I agree with you. That's a Subaru right there. Subaru STI. I think that could be worth some money one day. Gold and silver. Pennies. Ooh. Won't be any. Could you imagine that you get rid of pennies and then pennies become worth $1? Now that would be some shit, wouldn't it? You know? Wouldn't that be some shit right there? All the pennies in the world are all worth $1? You got any pennies, Alex? You gotta get you some pennies. Because maybe they'll be worth a lot of money one day. 1905 pennies. How much is that worth? You give me a 1905 penny for my birthday. My birthday is coming up, everybody. Letting you know now, chat. I expect a lot of presents. August 28th. August 28th. So, if you want to do something freaky, let me know. I'm down. The quality of vintage items exceeds today's standards. So many things can be fake today, and back years ago, before the interwebs, everything was more real. You're not wrong. You are not wrong. You're not wrong at all, honestly. Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah, boys. Oh, sorry. I got excited for a minute because I just saw the results for the racing series that I race. Currently, we're 7th overall in the series, which I think is absolutely fucking insane because a lot of people thought that I wouldn't even finish my first race. They literally said that. They're like, this guy's not even going to finish the first race. And I said, joke's on you, motherfuckers. Because not only am I going to finish, I'm going to be in the top fucking 10. And they were like, no way. No way. I said, yeah, way. Yeah, way. You fucking pussy motherfuckers. Dude, I'm fucking fired up, boys. Look at this. Out of 40 trucks, right? 40 trucks. This is the biggest group. This is the biggest class in the entire fucking series, right? It's the hardest one. The best drivers, the biggest competition are all in the spec class. Trophy truck spec. The reason that it's called spec is because everybody's truck is exactly the same. Oh my God, the Nasdaq's going to the moon right now. I'm sorry, I should be trading, but I'm too fucking excited right now. Guys, this is huge. This is absolutely huge. You know? I know it's not as impressive as people think, but like, it's pretty fucking huge for me because again, you know, I don't know. Everybody was like, "Oh, you're never gonna be able to fucking compete," and I was like, "All right." And what's crazy is, all right, so we're 7th right now, right? We got 221 points. The leader, Brent Fox, has 244. I mean, so we're only 20 points off of the lead for the series, which is not really that crazy of a number, to be honest. Because you can see, you know, the first race, we got 100 points. The second race, we got 115 points. And basically, if someone doesn't finish the race, then they get like no points. Not finishing is like the worst thing you could do. Even if you finish last place, you're better off finishing last place and at least getting the points for finishing. So it's huge to see, you know, what we've done in only our first 2 races. So I'm very proud of it, and I really don't give a fuck what anyone says, because again, you know, not to toot my own horn, but again, I have proven that I am a goddamn force to be reckoned with. If I set my sights, you know, if I make a goal, if I say I'm gonna do something, you can basically guarantee that I'm gonna fucking do it. And I'm gonna do it to the best of my ability, and I'm gonna put in more work than anybody else, and I'm gonna always be, you know, just pushing the envelope, trying to be the best that I can be, you know, in every aspect. So, not to toot my own horn here, but again, these results just came out, and like I said, I'm pretty fucking stoked to be in the top 10 of the most competitive class, the largest class, the class that everybody told me I couldn't race in, that I wouldn't be able to be competitive, I wouldn't finish, I couldn't actually, you know, be a contender, and to be 7th place in that class right now. Hey, the sky is the fucking limit, boys. That's the truth right there, right? At the end of the day, if you got a dream, if you want to do something, if you want to be somebody, just fucking go for it. Don't listen to anybody else. Don't let the haters get to you. Don't let somebody tell you you can't do it. And I'll tell you what, it's not just the people online either. It really isn't. It's people around you, right? I remember when I first started my YouTube channel, everybody that I knew, I had friends, family, girlfriend, not Victoria, but another girlfriend at the time. And everybody was like, Patrick, who's gonna watch your YouTube videos? Why would anybody care what you have to say about the market? Why is, you know, what do you know? What are you gonna, you know, everybody was so like, Patrick, what are you gonna, you know, how are you gonna learn to day trade? What do you know, it was so funny because nobody, and I say this like, not like, I'm not trying to like dramatize it, but not one person that I knew in real life, not one person that I knew actually supported me, right? Shut the fuck up. When I first started, you didn't fucking support me. What? You didn't even know what I was doing.
I supported it.
Oh, you did not support it.
Bet against it.
You didn't bet against it, but you were just like, oh, yeah, cool. Well, you never thought I'd be a millionaire from it.
I walked around with you, and you weren't doing it.
Yeah, but you didn't think I was getting, you thought it was like a little thing, but you were like, oh, he's gonna be a fucking millionaire one day.
Well, that's it.
Hey, you cannot sit here now and be like, oh, I believed in you.
I wasn't a naysayer.
All right, I'll give you that. You weren't a naysayer.
There we go.
But let's just say, I don't think you were like, oh.
I mean, who's going to say, oh, yeah, you're going to be a millionaire? Who's going to do that?
I said that.
Well, yeah, you said it.
Yeah, well, I said it. I believed in me. All right now, market pulling back here a little bit. Sorry, we're getting all sentimental over here. But, you know, the moral of the story, like I said, is no matter what it is, no matter whatever dream you have, whatever, like, anything, I don't care what it is. You want to be the best fucking fry cook at McDonald's, go for it. You want to be the best landscaper in your town, there's nothing that can stop you. You want to be the #1 fucking plumber, that it's not always like, oh, you got to be a YouTuber. Like, there's plenty of opportunities in the world to make a lot of money, and you don't have to be a fucking influencer. You know, I think everybody like wants to be an influencer, but I'm like, bro, just go be a fucking really good plumber. You know, go start a landscaping business and be really good at it. Go do a roofing company and like be really good at it, because you can make a lot of money doing jobs that nobody else wants to do. And that's the truth. I think the whole idea, people get excited with day trading because they're like, oh, I want to be a day trader. I want to get rich day trading. I'm like, good luck. Good luck, you know? But if somebody's like, hey, I want to go start a $1 million fucking plumbing business, I'd be like, all right, well, all you got to do is put in the fucking work, you know, and work harder than anybody else and fucking build a brand and get customers. Like, It ain't rocket science, right? Everybody fucking needs plumbing. Everybody needs a roof. Everybody needs their grass mode. So, Andy McPleen said, please trade. Hey, Andy, I'm going to go ahead and just go and tell you to go fuck yourself. I ain't your bitch. Where does this say on this fucking stream that Patrick Wieland's here to fucking suck your dick? Nowhere. Ain't nowhere. Take that same mindset to trading. Yeah, no. It's not. Like, people think that trading is all about mindset. It's not. Your mindset's not going to make you profitable. You know, it's just a lot of fucking time and energy. I would say for most adult men, trying to waste your time to be a day trader is probably the worst idea that you can do, because the chance of you actually being profitable, the chance of you actually making money is so low. You know, I have guys all the time. They're like, Patrick, you know, I've got kids, I've got a wife, I need to make extra money. I'm like, well, don't be a day trader. Yeah, I mean, just being honest, like, don't be a day trader. Go get a second job. Go start a business, because for the first 5 years of day trading, you're not going to make any money. You know, like, you truly won't. You will not make any money for the first 5 years. And that's just the truth. The chance of failing a starting business is high as well. 100%. I agree. I'm not saying that you know, there's always risk with anything, but I just think if you need money, if you want to pay your bills, you know, you're trying to like pay your bills, like, truthfully, day trading is not the way to do it. I know that people don't want to hear that, but that's the truth. You know, I think if you really want to make money day trading, you need to do it as like a side, you know, it's like a gig. It's like a little thing you do on the side. And you make a couple $100 here and there, and you take it slow, and you're like, the worst thing you can do as a day trader is to be like, oh, I need to make $10,000 to pay my rent. Right? Like that right, you're done. It's over. Go ahead and just give me your money, because like that ain't gonna work. You know, and I know that's like something that people don't want to hear, but it's the truth, right? It truly is the truth. So I thought you were supposed to be encouraging. Well, I'm being honest with you. I am being like encouraging. You know, like, someone said 10K to pay rent. Yeah, I mean, 10K, I don't know. People might be, I've had people message me and they're like, hey, I haven't been able to pay my mortgage for 3 months. I'm broke. I got nothing left. Can you teach me to day trade? I'm like, no, I can't. Like, and that's just me being honest. Like, I'm not going to sell somebody a fucking day trading mentorship when they tell me they're broke and they got no money. Right? Like, that is never. I love some guy, D Shoemaker, says, you just said you can do anything, then you said you can't be a day trader. All right, bro, you're $28 from a payout. Like, that's 6 months. You've been working for 6 months. Do you pay your bills with day trading? Did you pay your bills with day trading? So we're wasting our time. It's not about wasting time. It's about, if you're desperate for money, if you need to pay your bills, if you have no money, trying to be a day trader is not the answer, right? Go get a real job. Go make money and then start day trading, right? Like, get to a point where you have money and then day trade, right? You can always learn to day trade while working. You know, people are like, oh, Patrick, I quit my job so I can be a day trader. I'm like, but why? You know, why? There you go, Gino. He's an electrician. He day trades on the side. I'm telling you right now, like, there's nothing better than having like a real job and then making a couple extra $100,000, you know, a couple $1,000 or whatever it is day trading. Like, that's what it's about, right? That's the dream. Day trading is supplemental. Day trading is not a full-time job. And that's all. That's my thing, you know? Like, I'm not saying you can't be a day trader, but like, you don't need to day trade for 9 hours a day, right? That's the point that we're making here. Gene likes pants. He goes, he got a detailing company. He day trades, makes extra $2,000 a month. Bro, so rich off this, he accidentally said a couple $100,000. Well, that, you know, hey, I got, you know, but hey, This is the thing, right? People, they don't understand, right? Everybody just sees where I'm at now. And what they didn't see is that I've been doing this now for how many years? Like, how many fucking years have we been doing this now? Like, that's the proof, right? Like, it ain't about like, oh, you know, hey, look how good I am now. But like, this is 9 years ago, man. I was making videos 9 years ago. You know, like 9 fucking years ago, man, making fucking videos. And people be like, this is what this is back when I was making, you know, like a couple $100 at a time day trading. Look at this. I'm up $30 right here on this trade. I'm up $30. Watch. Like, let's see what I close it out for. $50. Yeah, I think I closed it literally for like $50. That's when I first started day trading. 9 years ago, man. I made $50 and I thought I was doing something. I couldn't pay my rent with just day trading. You know, like, just being honest. People don't want to hear the honesty. But like, that's the truth. Everybody's like, they got some 22-year-old guru teaching them how to day trade, and they think they're gonna learn how to day trade because some 22-year-old kid who literally still jerks off with his socks. You know, like some kid who's still jerking off into his socks every night. That's who your mentor is? That's the guy who's gonna teach you how to make money? My mentor teaches me everything. He's 22 years old. He lives in a penthouse in Miami. He still jerks off in his socks. You know, I was jerking off my socks when I was like 12. I don't do that shit no more. I got the silk. I got silk stuff for that now. It makes it real easy. Just oh man, oh man, oh man. Yeah, day trading is stressful as fuck. Look at Patrick, he's only 23 years old. True. Look at me, even my hair's falling out. I'm fucking losing it. Someone said, did you copy trade back in the day? Bro, there was no copy trading 10 years ago. You have no idea what you're talking about. You know, like that I was trading penny stocks and I had like $1,000 and I was trying to make $100. Like there was no copy trading back in the day, sir. There was no we didn't have prop firms. We didn't have shit back in the day. We had to pay commissions. You know, it was terrible. It was good to have Denny yesterday night. Well, he'll be back tonight as well. 6 o'clock tonight, baby. I'm an industrial mechanic and I trade between the frame of the machine. Seems a little dangerous. Be careful trading between the frame. Denny did a great job last night. Great choice. I mean, I knew he'd be good. I spotted him at the gay bar and I just knew. I saw that little fucking guy across the gay bar and I said, man, I don't know what his name is, but I want him. Denny Dollars! Where's he at? He's not even in the chat. He's still sleeping. He went home and made sweet, sweet love to his wife all night long after that performance, day trading. He texted me at like 2 in the morning and said, man, I've never been more excited. I'm pumped up right now. I said, dude, go to bed. Go to bed, bro. He was at the Blue Oyster. Someone said he told you that. Yeah, he told me. I got the text message to prove it. He texted me at 2 a.m. Said he was rock hard. Just could not sleep. Someone said, please, no more basketball matches. That was embarrassing for them both. I mean, I thought it was funny. I thought it was funny. You thought it was funny, right? Like, it was embarrassing, but like, it wasn't embarrassing for me. It was bad, but it wasn't bad. Bad for them, good for me. Oh, man. All right, really quickly, just to recap kind of what we're looking at here. Overnight, yesterday we had FOMC. The market filled the gap, that Sunday night gap that we talked about yesterday. We're like, that Sunday night gap is gonna get filled. I didn't know if it was gonna be today, tomorrow, whenever it was, but that I just pretty much was very confident that that gap was going to be filled. And not only did it get filled, but once the gap fucking filled, it only went back up. So you gotta love that. So remember, Sunday night we gapped up massive. The market went all the way to 30,000. like 100 level, and then pulled all the way back down there to 30,000. So you got about 1,000-point fucking range here on the Nasdaq this week. We just had FOMC. We had initial jobless claims this morning, and tomorrow is a holiday as well. So I'm interested to see if this is going to be like kind of Friday price action where we get a pump. You know, do we get the pump? Do we get the pump? Right now, the QQQ going to the moon as well. Crazy, crazy. It's crazy, crazy. It's kind of looking like if the Qs can get moving back above 736 area, all-time high is not far from there. So we'll see what happens. What about the SpaceX bulls? SpaceX back to 188. I can't believe that I sold SpaceX at the exact top. I did sell 100 shares at 225. I didn't sell all of it, but I did sell 100 shares at 225, and then I sold the rest at 210. So from the 170 area, I bought SpaceX at 170, and pretty happy with that. So I bought SpaceX Monday morning, and it went to the absolute goddamn moon. I should have sold everything at 225. I got greedy, to be honest. I got greedy, but we'll take it either way. Nice little profit there, making some money. It's funny because, you know, obviously I'm a day trader, but I've been doing pretty well swing trading lately. There's been some good opportunities swing trading. This is my actual brokerage account. This is the total value. So I have like $130,000 worth of Apple that I've been sitting on for a minute. So that's kind of, if you're seeing that. But since May, we just been going to the moon and making moves here. And yeah, a lot of kind of shorts, longs, SpaceX, pretty much kind of the play there. And that's just kind of like buying, getting those big gap ups, and locking in the profit. You can see Denny last night look at that motherfucker. Only a face that a gay man could love. Poor Denny. Denny's not gay, actually. I just say that. Because I'm projecting. I'm projecting that because, you know, I'm gay. But you can see me, D-Money, and Denny. We're going to Vegas soon. We're going to Vegas. Denny's already married and has 3 kids, so it might be weird for him to have another baby. But, you know, hey, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Oh my God, I saw a story this morning, man. I saw a story this morning. This is actually a woman that I know in Orlando. She had in vitro IVF or whatever you call it when they put the baby in you. They put the wrong baby in her. Like, it's crazy. The wrong baby in Orlando. Oh my God, what would you do, chat? You know what I mean? Like, what would you do? You'd be like, oh, look at, I mean, I don't want to like be racist, but like, bro, how did nobody know? You know what how did nobody know? So that baby, you know, like, I don't know, man. I'd just be like, it's on TMZ even. Like, what the fuck? I mean, like, I'm just wondering, you know, like, what did they, so they got, like, they came home with the baby and they were just like, yeah, that baby's looking a little tan. You know, maybe we have some, you know, fucking hidden Indian fucking genes. After noticing abnormally tan complexion. I mean, sir. Oh man, crazy. And the best part is, like I said, I know her and her sister used to be like into not day trading, into wakeboarding and stuff. Crazy though. I mean, what would you do? You have a baby, the baby comes out and it is not the right baby. That's got to be something. That's got to be awkward. That's got to be awkward. That's going to be awkward conversation. You know, you're like looking at the baby like, you know, It was Jerome. Man, not Jerome. Jerome's the papa. Oh man, D-Money, that's low blow, man. That ain't funny, D-Money. That ain't funny, D-Money. D-Money, that's insensitive. It's insensitive, D-Money. That's insensitive. Oh, man. Nasdaq still pumping, man. I think we're going fucking... Like I said, I think if we get above... We're basically above yesterday's high almost. We get above all this. It don't seem like we're, you know... There's not like a lot of reasons for this to stop to the upside. We had that sell-off on Tuesday. This is a very big bounce. You know, we filled the gap. So... Let's see what happens. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. We need more likes, more love. More likes, more love. More likes, more love. The more likes, the more money I'm going to make. True story. Mr. 45 Special said we're going to have another gap. Yeah, I mean, well, the overnight gap from the close yesterday, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Getting ready here. Fired up. Thursday, fun day, Thursday. Thursday, fun day. More love, more likes, more love. Right now, Nasdaq trying to push back up here. We've got the high here, 30,585 level. So, someone said, how did Denny do last night? How did Denny do? Denny fucking killed it. Denny killed it, baby. Are you kidding me? Denny killed it. Nah, Denny did a really good job last night. He stayed focused. He didn't let the chat get to him. He showed the world that he's serious about being a day trader here at the BDH. So I think we might have to give him a job. What do you think, chat? Should we hire Denny full time? Hire Denny full time? We're gonna hire Denny full time. Woo! Get the HR onboarding paperwork ready, Ginger. It's about 1,000 pages that Denny has to go through and sign. You gotta sign his life away. He's gotta sign his life away. Instead of D-Money, ooh, ouch, ooh. Man, y'all are trying to get rid of D-Money now? Oh, man. D-Money's in the chat right now, chat. How you all gonna be so insensitive? How y'all gonna be so insensitive? We got to do a 90-day probation and then a rematch for D-Money. Oh, man. Oh, man. Yeah. Denny will be doing the night shift. He'll be doing from like 6 o'clock till 10 o'clock during the week. So, Denny and D-Money are both gold. Well, if they're gold, I better be goddamn I better be a diamond. I better be a diamond. The rarest, I'm the rarest thing on the planet. A diamond. All right, so we drew a lot of squiggly lines here on the chart. But I think it's pretty clear to see, right? We filled the gap. We do have a big gap, obviously, right now where we're opening at. But if this momentum continues, 30,700, 30,800, 31,000, all-time high is not far from here. It truly is not. And I know, you know, I have been vociferously bearish for the last fucking couple weeks here. And clearly it has not been the play. So, well, it's kind of been the play, but... Trying to hold for a bigger move lower has not been paying the bills. So we will see what happens here today. Some volatility yesterday. FOMC. We still got a lot of time here until market open. 8 minutes. That's a lot of time. That's a lot of time, chat. A lot of time. This fucking TV behind me is fucked. God damn it. Oh, man. I can't change the TV behind me. Sorry, chat. You have to look at Fox News over there. We are getting ready. We got all the screens pulled up. We got the ES. We got the Nasdaq. We got the NVIDIA. We've got the QQQ, which it's not. I don't think it's a charger. It's like, oh,
No.
oh my God, it's working. Ginger charged it up. Ginger charged it. Oh, USB-C? Oh. Look at that. It looks way cooler. Got my little thingy back there. No, it's kind of freaky looking, actually. I need that back. Hold on. Come back. Come back. Market's still going to the moon right now, chat. It's like glitching for some reason. I don't like it. Ooh. All right. Time for some serious business here, chat. Time for some serious fucking business, boys. It's going down like Charlie Brown and going downtown. That's right. That's right. We got some deals hitting the board today. We got Take Profit Trader 40% off. Use that code PW for the biggest. Why is there a pic of shirtless D Money on the wall? That was D Money back in his prime over there. D Money at one point he was a boxer. Yeah, D Money over there. No, it's Mike Tyson, bro. Come on, it's Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson signed autograph glove. The man, the myth, the legend. He likes pigeons. What can you say? The guy does it. He gets it done. All right, well, we're ready here. Time is ready. Time. Make this bigger so y'all can see my profits better. Oh my Lord. Straight to the moon right now. What is going on? Market, is it open? Is the market open right now? We got 5 minutes still. What the fuck? Straight up here. This is scary. This is scary. Rift Offer said, you have the same birthday as Mike Tyson. Cool. That's pretty cool. What do you think about trading as a student? Yeah, that's not a bad idea. I mean, like I said earlier, the goal of trading should not be to be you should not rely on the money that you're making from trading to pay your bills, right? Like I think that's like the best advice that you can give anybody. You know, trading is a great supplemental income. It's a way to make some extra money. When you're first starting out, you don't want to rely just on trading to pay your bills. And that might not be what you want to hear, but it is the truth, and I'll stand by that all day, every day. I will never try to sell you on this dream that you're going to make $1 million day one, and it's all going to be just easy peasy mac and cheesy, because it's just not the truth. And it would be a disservice for me to actually sit here and be like, guys, buy my course, make $100,000 a year. I'd just be lying to you, and I don't want to lie to you guys. I could make a lot more money selling courses. That is true. I could definitely make a lot more money. What do you guys think? Up or down here? Up or down here at open? We got about 3 minutes till market opens. Are we going to the moon? Going to all-time high today, or are we going to crash back down? What do we think? It's time. How much money did I start with? I started with $1,000. I had $1,000 in my first trading account, and I probably lost that pretty quickly. So, yeah, I mean, the whole argument of like, how much did you start with? It don't matter with how much you start with. You're just gonna lose it anyway. Someone said we're going to Pluto today, right past the moon. Oh my Lord, Pluto. I don't want to go to Pluto. No, I don't want to go to Pluto. We got a big shout out to the #1 platform in the prop firm trading space, NinjaTrader, Trade-of-8 Prop, the biggest, the largest, BDH, NinjaTrader. We're best friends. We love each other. Hit them up. They've got a couple different offers always as well. You can sign up for a free NinjaTrader account, start trading your own real money as well. If you want to go that route, you got the prop firms, but I'm always a go-to guy. I've been trading on Trade-of-8 now for as long as I can remember. So it's the end-all, be-all, the be-all, the bend-all. So right now we got about 2 minutes here till market opens, so we'll see what happens at open. I like the fact that we're already above all that resistance there yesterday at the 520 area. But if you remember yesterday, we had some very whippy price action. So we want to be careful, right? We don't want to go do anything stupid. Be patient. Let's see what happens. Give it a little bit of time. And let's see what happens at open. Let's go, baby. PW, what do you think the market's going to be today? I hope it goes up. I think it's going to go up. We're going into a 3-day weekend kind of equities, or who's that? Daddy, 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 daddy. Come here, daddy. Sit on my lap. Come here. Come here, buddy. Hey, you killed it last night. You're my boy, Blue. You're my boy. Daddy, 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 daddy. How you feeling?
Tired.
Tired? This guy's tired. It's only one night.
Oh, I'm not tired from that. I'm tired from the basketball.
Oh, he's tired from the basketball. All right, well, hell yeah. Denny is back in the house. Fucking Denny, baby. Let's go. All right, here we go. Market is about to open. 30 seconds. Fucking Denny, baby. Denny. Let's go. All right, here we go, baby. Market is about to open. I like the longs. If we get a nice little pullback here, we'll see what happens. Anything's possible. Anything is possible. It's Thirsty Thursdays here. I might just go long and close my eyes at open. Hell, just do that, right? I'm in. I'm in. All right, 10 seconds here, people. 10 seconds. This thing is looking very strong. Very strong right now. I'm interested to see what happens here. Straight down at open. If we get back above 600 on this candle right here, like in the first 1 minute candle, I will take a long, but just kind of wait for this to pull back and see what happens. It's trying to flip. It's trying to flip. I'm watching 600s for a possible breakout. Patience, patience, patience. It's trying. It's trying. I'm taking a long. Can we get a push straight up? Push straight up here. That's 10 points. Oh. Take out that high at least. Come on. Oh. You kidding me? Got stuck right there. Pulling back here again. Thought we were gonna ramp. Thought we were gonna ramp it there. Give it a moment. My stop is the bottom of this candle here for now. So if we lose that low, I'll get out and always re-enter. They're holding 560s for now, but not looking good. I hate that it's back below that EMA there. We're gonna get stopped probably. Chop, chop, chop in here. Stopped out for now. Just could not get through there. You gotta love that. Gotta love that when that happens, huh? She tried to. Gotta be patient. Ugh. All right. Being patient here. Let's see what happens. Look for longs here, PW. I was just long. What are you talking about? All right, I like if we get back above 580s. I'm trying a long here again. You got Wick Wick. Wick Wick here. She's trying. I like there's a big wick here. Get a big boner candle straight through the highs. Straight through the highs. Possibly. Look at it. They can't take it lower for now. Let's see. Just trying. So close. God. We bust this 580s. I'm in for the longs. All right, we're in long. If we break above 600, I'll add there as well. Looking for some continuation to the upside here. Ugh. Stuck. 580s again. Come on, Nasdaq. If we can bounce here 560s and then ramp out of this, then we're good. It's just gonna come back down and tag me again. Gonna come tag me again right here. Ugh, fucking A. Back to back. Back to back. Back to back. Out again, man. No good. No good. You gotta be patient here. Let this 5-minute candle figure out what it's gonna do. Someone said could go lower then higher. I mean, yeah, maybe. Just could not get through there. So the short's obviously getting paid right now. Let's see what happens here next. Right back down there at 500. This is why we do use stop losses. We're not going to just have a massive, we're not going to just hope and pray. Got to be patient sometimes, and it is what it is. So we're pulling back here into that EMA now, on the 5-minute chart. Someone said, they said it's going to be a crash because of interest rates. I mean, maybe not. Who knows? Right now, pulling back here through 500 again. You got a pivot point all the way down there, 30,415. So look at SpaceX as well. SpaceX down there to the 180s now, pulling back pretty hard. Whole market right now pulling back after this big pump up overnight. So the dump is real. Someone says, why do you trade the market open? I mean, sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. I don't know what you want from me. I mean, if it would have went up, everybody would be happy and they would have said, oh, you're a genius. But it didn't go up, did it? So, I mean, it's truly just, it is what it is. There's not really much I can do about it. I think people think that every single trade is going to be a winning trade. It's not. It's just, that's part of life. It sucks. I don't want to lose, but I've been trading long enough to know that it's going to happen. Sometimes you can have 7 winning trades in a row, and then other times you have 7 losing trades in a row, and it's just kind of, it is what it is. I truly, I apologize for having a losing trade, but we'll see what happens here next. Got to be patient. Back down there to the VWAP now, about 200-point move down here. Fuck, the longs would have, the shorts would have printed there at open. They would have printed, absolutely printed, but right now, Nasdaq just straight down there to the VWAP. Let's see what happens here now. So basically, during a month is going positive for you, this strategy? Trading in market open? Hey, Maxi, bro, I don't fucking know. What do you want from me, dude? This is what I want you to do. I want you to go ahead and hit that exit button, and I want you to go somewhere else, because clearly you're not happy here. And I'm okay with that. It's, you got to do what you got to do. Yeah, obviously in hindsight now, yeah, we should have got short. Fuck yeah, that was clearly the play. But I know one thing, I can't go back in time now, so. I'm not being soft. I'm just like, I don't really want to argue with people today, to be honest. I was excited to see Denny. We're doing fun stuff here, and I wasn't really trying to sit here and argue with people about it. I said, okay, hey, I lost the trades, and I showed you the entry, I showed you the exit, and that's really all I can do. I don't really know, what else I can offer for you. It sucks, trust me. You think that I want to lose. I truly don't want to lose, but we lost, so it is what it is. Down here to the pivot point, if we lose this pivot point area, there could be definitely some more selling pressure coming in here. So below 420, be careful. See what happens there. Below 420, if they're going to bounce it or not. All right, Nasdaq straight down at open, bounced off the VWAP pivot point area now. 5-minute candle, we did just get a wick on the bottom there. We'll see what happens. If they're gonna be able to push it back up, do the V, or if they continue lower from here. I mean, it's kind of looking bearish now. But the question is, you know, do you short down here at the bottom? I don't fucking know. Is it gonna pop back up here? I'm watching it right now, watching it. I kind of swiped these lows here, popped it right back up now. I'm gonna try a long right here. I like the 5-minute candle setup. If we can push back above 500, possibly even more, maybe. Stop is right there below 36. You got Nvidia popping back up. ES is trying to pop back up. Get stopped again here. Possible. Yep. All right. All right, all right. Sucks. Now look, now it's okay. Cool. Cool. Well, we couldn't push back above 480. We got denied. We pulled back, stopped me out, and then popped right back up. So yeah, it's always fun. I'm trying to long again here. I don't know. If we're gonna tilt, let's go tilt, baby. Someone said go for a short. I think it's a long, but we'll see. No way. Wow. Should have went for a short. All right, we're all in short. It's gonna work. 50 contracts short. It's got to dump now. It's just got to. Maybe. Tap the 400s, almost. Got filled, everything there, but. And out of the short. Well, I'm out of here. It's over. Fucking A, man. I don't know. What am I gonna do with my life? My life. And right back up again. Luckily, the resets were only $1.99 at a Take Profit Trader. It's all good. It's all good. All right, Nasdaq just chopping around down here at the lows. Went from 400 back to 480 now. Going nowhere quickly. Or, well, went somewhere quickly, and now it's going nowhere. But let's see what happens here next. Shoot. That's painful. Chop City down here at the lows right now. I mean, I guess if we get back above 500 again, maybe that's the key to getting back up. Possibly. Just Chop City here, going nowhere. We bounced off these lows, popped back up. We got wick on top. Very indecisive now to see where we go next. We're inside the 15-minute range still. 5-minute chart, again getting denied up there, 450 area. There's no wick on the bottom of this candle here. Do you go short again? Is the million-dollar question, right? I don't know. Is it a short? Is it a short? I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, we blew those 5 take profit accounts, evals, and we got 5 new ones. Never gonna stop, won't stop. Pushing back up here again, I think. Just gotta wait for this to break out of this right here, right? So we're basically doing one of these right now. So let it get out of there. There's that pump back up. Watching to see what happens here. I think the longs could step in. Just want to see if we're going to wick. I'm going to try this long and we pull back into that EMA. Stop is below this structure now. And see if we can't go back up 550 area. Would be the play. Just had to be patient, wait for some structure, better structure there, going all willy crazy, willy nilly. Denny got me all excited. I was rock hard. I just couldn't focus. Couldn't focus on the trades. Hugging Denny just got me too excited. PW, can you talk about your experience with Lucid live account? I don't have a live account with Lucid. Funded account, not live. All right, we're long here at the 470s, looking for a push back to the 538, 540 area. That's that previous area that we got bounced at. Will it turn into resistance here? You got NVIDIA all the way back up 208, 209 level. Well, that was 40 points. Right back down here again, 470s. What do I think about Take Profit Trader Pro Plus? They're amazing. They're basically live accounts. There's not really any rules. No consistency, no bullshit. Just fucking make money, baby. There we go. Come on. We want this to push now. We want this to push here. I could go break even on the stop, I guess. 473 is my break even now. Small profit. But I want to see if we can get there 538. It's kind of like see if we can extend out there. These are 150K accounts. 150K accounts. Looks good for this pump. Can we go? I'm going to move stop right below 94. That's guaranteed 24 points. And let this kind of push. Let's go. Let's go. Push it. Push it real good. There we go. I mean, I think, you know, yeah, I mean, it did that right there is just, this is that what you guys just saw is just proof that you got to be patient sometimes and wait for, you know, a good setup. Just trying to go short, trying to go long, that's obviously not gonna work out. It's not the way to go about it. So hopefully you guys can see, you know, this is what happens when you're patient and you kind of let the market come to you. Only Flag says, so why are you doing it? I mean, you know, just a guy, dude, guy on the internet. We went long and open thinking we were going to pop. We got stopped out. Kind of try to force some more trades to get it back and blew the accounts. I mean, it's the nature of the beast. And Nasdaq right back down again. We got stuck basically right at the bottom of that previous previous support. You know, turning into resistance there. So We got all we can do is just trade at the end of the day. So I think now there could be a good short setup if we lose that 450 support. Right, we push back up into the middle of the 15-minute range. So I'm going to try it if we break 450s here, which we're breaking it right now, actually. So give it a second. See if we get a little pushback up. ES also pushed back up. So I'm trying to short here. Stop is at the high of that candle, basically. You can get chopped. Let's go. Tanner Simmons, $8,000 payout secured on Lucid Flex. Locked out. Thanks for showing us what's possible, PW. Hey, just trying to make a little bit of money, man. Trying to make a little bit of money. We're staying below that EMA there, which is a good sign for the bears, but a lot of chop down here right now. This market is it's making it hard on us. I think if we lose 440s, 380s comes pretty quickly. Can we roll? Can we roll? There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's take it lower. Trying to like trail this a little bit with my stop. As we break through 420, I'll move down basically like right there. 39s now. That way we're not giving back any profit if it does try to pop straight back up. Trouble. Well, we got to lose 420s. Got about 10 seconds left on this candle. Lid FX said, told you to short. Hey, Lid FX, who the fuck are you? I told you to short. You didn't tell me shit. You think I read the chat to figure out what to do? The fuck? Chopping. All right, I'm moving my stop now to the 31s. That's guaranteed 10 points at least. If we get chopped, if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. I'm not mad about it. I'm not going to cry. It's still profit. No point in giving it all back for nothing. Someone who told you to short. Again, I'm not reading the chat while I'm trading here, to be honest. Almost got 400 to break. Almost. We'll see if 10 points turns into more or we get stopped here. PW, do you journal? No. What am I going to write in my journal? Dear journal, today I went all in long at open and the market crashed 200 points. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Dear journal, today I got fucked. Multiple times. Not just once, but multiple times. I had so much fun. See you tomorrow. Dear journal, today I blew every single account that I have. There's always tomorrow. Love, PW. Dear journal, today I was pooping and I thought it was a good idea to go long. I looked at the VWAP and I saw that it was lower, but I said, fuck it. And I went long anyway. And then I got fucked. And I also was pooping all at the same time. Thank you, journal, for listening. Someone said, are we gonna get long? No, I mean, maybe. We do have some, you know, the 5-minute chart, it's holding on, right? Like 5-minute chart's holding on there. You know? Someone said there is a gap on the NQ. Oh, you're not wrong. I know there's a gap. Yesterday's close is right down there at 30,000. But today is Thursday and tomorrow's a holiday. So equities market is not trading tomorrow. Lid FX says, no, don't buy. You don't listen. Hey, Lid. Ever since you said don't buy, it's went up almost 100 points. So what the fuck are you talking about? God. Hey, Lid FX, this is what you should do. You should go start your own YouTube channel where you give out calls, and if you're any good, someone might watch you. But if not, they won't watch you. So, you know, you just try that. You go try that. All right? You go try that out. We'll be here, though. We'll be here. People that know me know what's up. Lid, nobody knows you. Literally nobody knows you, idiot. There is nobody in this chat who has any idea who you are. Like, not one person in this chat knows who you are. Nobody. Like, literally nobody knows who you are. I guarantee it. Like, nobody has a fucking idea of who you are. Not one idea. Not one fucking idea, bro. Like, zero idea. I mean, first off, what do you got? You got Fortnite videos on your YouTube channel here? What are you, fucking 15 years old? Dude's got videos of him playing fucking Madden. This is. Look, now you got Fortnite videos. Landon's better than you at Fortnite, you fucking retard. Nobody knows who you are. Nobody. This is the most exposure you ever got your whole entire life. Dude's uploading videos of him playing fucking football video games. That's gotta be the gayest thing I've ever seen in my life. I don't know what's gayer. Playing video games of dudes playing with balls or watching dudes playing with balls. I think either way it's gay. But Lid, you out, bro. It's over. You're done. It's over. Bro, it's an old ass account. Will you shut the fuck up? Just shut up. God. Hey, idiot. Hey, Lid, look what? It went up. It went up. It went up. You said, don't get long. You told everybody in the chat, don't get long. Look, but it went up. What happened, Lid? What happened, you fucking retard? I'm fired up, Daddy! I'm gonna fuck somebody today. I'm gonna fuck somebody real good, Daddy. Somebody's gonna get fucked. And I don't know who it is, but I'm horny and I'm ready. Oh, yeah. Well, is he still here? He did not. Oh, he's still here. Just watch. 620 is the top, and that's where you should have sold. What? This motherfucker. He's still talking. Imagine literally being made fun of for being a faggot in the chat and then still staying. Like, you're still here. He's still here. Like, dude. Nobody wants you. Nobody loves you. Not even your boyfriend. Even your boyfriend don't want you. He wants me. I see why you're sad. I see why you're sad. I'd be sad too. I'd be sad too if my fucking fat ass boyfriend didn't even want me, but he wanted PW. That's why you're here. I know it. I know it. I mean, let's be honest. Oh God, camera stopped working. Can't even show a picture of my pee-pee. Almost did it. Camera wasn't working though. Right now, Nasdaq pushing back up here. Gotta see what happens. We're holding these lows. Everybody's bearish, so you know what that means. Time to go to all-time highs, baby. Time to go to all-time highs. Time for a white claw in the morning, you know what I mean? I don't know what happened to C4, but they got really gay. Like, what is this new can they came out with? What is this can? They're clearly trying to sell cans to gay people. That's why I bought some. God. You know what I love about America these days is, you know, we're it's okay. It's okay to say the R word, right? You can say retarded all you want now because the president of the United States said it was okay. All right? And it's also okay to say that someone's gay because, well, it's just, they're happy. Hey, FX, what happened? It's still going up. FX, it's still going up. Guys, he's still in the chat. This guy, I think he likes to get ramrodded. I mean, I don't know if I could ramrod him any harder. I mean, honestly, I got a little bit of burn going on down there because it's just too much ramrodding happening. I bent him over, slapped that ass, and called him Sally a couple times. It's over. It's over. The pumpity. The pumpity pump. SpaceX also, SpaceX is over. SpaceX down to the 180s. Lid FX says, I'm not against you. I'm just saying, bro, do you even see the highs to the left? It's gonna dump. Is that how it works? So you're telling me that, like, if there's a high, that if it goes to the high, it's guaranteed to dump. Is that what you're trying to tell me right now? I just want to make sure that I understand your retardness. I thought I was retarded, but clearly this guy's Patrick. Look to the left. Look over there. Look. Just look at it. If it goes there, it's gonna dump. Well, what happened if it doesn't dump? What happened if it doesn't dump? What then? Cliff Morgan said, deflecting on somebody else with hate because you had a terrible morning is definitely not an alpha move, dude. Cliff Morgan. How about you come over here and I'll show you how alpha I am when I shove my dick down your mouth. How about that? Is that alpha? You'll like it too, boy. You're gonna say, yes, please. Calling me not alpha. You calling me not alpha. Oh, here he goes. Lid FX, obviously there's more to it. I'm not about to explain it all typing. Obviously you know more than the average. I'm guessing you know how to understand more than look. Guys, I don't have time to explain it, but I have time to sit in the chat all day and tell you how I know what's gonna happen, but I don't have time to explain it. Guys, I don't have time to explain my strategy because, you know, I'm just making so much money playing Madden fucking football in my mom's basement in fucking in Ohio with my fucking fat boyfriend who doesn't want to have sex with me. You know, I got time for that though. I explain to my boyfriend every night why he doesn't love me. And I text him every night and say, why do you not love me the same way I love you? Why? Hey, FX, don't worry, bro. Today's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. And that's all you need to know. That's all you need to know. Okie dokie. Patience. Oh, it's fucked up. Okie dokie, so time to be patient here. God, I'm going to hell. I'm a terrible person. Okie dokie, time to be patient. All right, well, we are still inside the 15-minute range, to be honest. Clearly, you know, it happens. It does happen. So we'll see what happens here next. Oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I think right now the best thing to do is just be patient, right? Be patient, see what see what happens from here. That's all you can really do at this point. I hope it dumps 500 points. So that way FX can comment, see, and be like, I told you guys. If you just listened to me, you would have made $1 billion trillion. Don't listen to Patrick Wieland. He doesn't know what he's doing. The funny thing is, what people don't understand is, like, there's always someone in the chat who calls a long. There's always someone in the chat who calls a short. So it's a 50-50, right? Someone in the chat is going to be right, and someone in the chat is going to be wrong. But when the person who is wrong, well, they don't talk about it, right? They don't sit in the chat and go, wow, I was wrong. They just disappear and go make another account, or they use their mom's account to comment about how they said it was a long. So it's kind of comedy when people are like, but Patrick, I told you. And I'm like, yeah, well, somebody else told me it was a short. So it's like, what do I do? Do I listen to everybody? How can I do both? I can't. All I can do is just trade. And just trade. That's all I can do. That's all I can do. Right now, Nasdaq, I like the fact that we're holding the middle of this 15-minute range now. That 5-minute candle right back up again. I don't know why I'm uber bullish here, but like, I think it's gonna pump, to be honest. I think she's pumping. Nvidia is making new highs right now. ES is kind of lagging. ES is right at the VWAP again. But Nvidia is pumping. 208 on Nvidia from the 206 low. I'm not going to tell you it's a short or a long or vice versa, but I mean, it's looking interesting either way, so. Music's hitting right now, boys. All right, we're holding up there that EMA right now on the 1-minute chart. I think there is potential for a long here. It's just the question of, will it go? You know, will it go here? What do you think? Do we go long for the 600 push? If the problem is, if it doesn't work out, I'm never going to hear the end of it from Mr. Retard FX in the chat, because he's going to comment and be like, see? I told you! Why did you not listen to me? And now it's pulling back, and he's probably in, I'm not even reading the chat right now, but I'm sure he's probably in the chat right now talking about how he told us. He told us that was going to happen. He told us everything. I told you guys. If you would have just listened to me. If you would have just listened. Fuck. You got that controller again, Ginger? Shit is broken. What is this? Thank you. Bat me. Get bat me. Put stars back. So beautiful. So beautiful. All right, right back to the middle of the 15-minute range again. We'll see if we get a little pop. That might have been the play to get long down there off 500, honestly. That was 30 points almost back up. But now I think basically what I want to see is like another wick down into here and then to pop back up. If not, well, just kind of stay out of it. We're in the middle of that 15-minute range for now. Big shout out to FX for telling us that there was resistance here and it was going to sell. He was a genius. The guy's a genius. Hey, FX, do you want a job? I'll hire you at the BDH. You're in. I think you're the best trader I've ever seen in my life. I'll give you a job. I'll hire you. I've never seen someone as good as you. You pointed out that there was resistance at the top of the range, and look, it's worked. Oh, now he wants a job. See how quickly that goes? He goes from wanting to suck my dick to now wanting a job. The level of gayness from this guy is through the roof. Through the roof. Pat, let me come to Florida. I'll come today. Keep your come to yourself, bro. I don't need to know what you're doing. Don't tell me how you're gonna come today if I let you come. Uh-oh, FX, it's going up. What do we do? Damn, I think it's a good long here. FX, what do we do now? FX, what do we do? I was gonna get short, but now it went back up. R. Speffen. Pat, I would destroy you. Don't play. You would destroy what? What would you destroy? What would you destroy? What would you destroy? What are you talking about right now? You destroy what? What are you destroying? I'm confused. Your ego. Well, that's the best part about it. It's my house, you dumb motherfucker. What are you gonna do? You're gonna come to my house and destroy my ego? I've got $500,000 car sitting behind me. I got a $200,000 watch on my wrist. I'm getting on a private jet flying to California in 2 hours. Like, what are you gonna destroy? You can't destroy my ego because it's undestroyable. It's fucking rock hard. It's a diamond. My ego's a diamond, baby. What are you gonna destroy? How are you gonna destroy it? How are you destroying it? Tell me. How are you going to destroy my ego? Tell me. Exactly. You can't. This ego is fucking rock hard. Shoo! Well, there was the pump. There was the pump. Please be the awareness. Hell yeah, we're aware. We're aware, and I'm so aware. Oh, dude, if this goes to the moon right now, I swear to God, what am I gonna do? I'm coming to your house, FX, and I'm gonna punch you in the face. I'm coming to your house. Where do you live? Tell me right now. I'm coming to you. I'll fly there. I'll fly there on my helicopter. I'll fucking drop a bag of shit on your face. Where do you live? Send me your address. I'll stop by later. Just drop a bag of poop from my helicopter. Poop delivery. You're in Springfield, Missouri, bro. Tell me you're fucking poor and retarded. You live in Springfield. Sorry for anybody who lives in Springfield, but let's be honest. My watch is worth more than your house. Let's be honest. You're in Springfield, sir. Come on. Come on, sir. Oh, you live in Pennsylvania? Okay, even worse. FX. He's fucking Amish. No wonder he doesn't know how to trade. He's Amish. Doesn't have a computer. Can't see the levels. He's just on his fucking, he's got a book. He's reading the almanac. The Farmer's Almanac, trying to predict the market here. Fucking Farmer Almanac. All right, still pulling back. We got to the top of the 15-minute range. The bulls are bulling. The bulls are bulling. I'm trying to long here right through the fucking short that is FX's poor little house in fucking Pennsylvania, Amish country. Oh God. That's not good. Straight back down. Should have got short. God damn it, why did I not listen to the fucking Amish? Okay, it's going back up. We're good, we're good, we're good. We're good, we're good. No, oh God. Now we're in trouble. Everything's trouble. God, I talk so much shit and then I enter a trade and then it poops on me. Classic. You know what they say? You attract what you attract. You attract what you say. And what you put into the world is what comes to you. What you eat is what you are. If you talk a lot of shit, you're gonna get shit. So we're gonna get some shit here. It's just karma. There's no denying it today. I've been talking a lot. I'm sorry to all the people out there. Apologies. Tomorrow, I won't be here, so don't worry about that. But after that, I'll be back. Yeah, this is not good. Right back down again. God damn it. Why did I do this? God damn it. Like, how can I trade and battle all the people in the chat? Guys, I can't. It's too much mind power to be used. Shout out to FX. He called the short. He was right. I should have shorted. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it, chat. I couldn't do it. Shout out to my man FX, #1 trader on YouTube. Hit him up. Watch his videos of him playing playing with the Madden. Back to the 580s. Can we? I need one more pump out of here. I need one more pump. I need just one more. Oh, it's an inverse fair value gap. I should have known. No one told me there was an inverse fair value gap. No! No! God damn it. Someone said, PW, don't close your long. It's going to go up. Okay. If it goes down, it's not my fault, chat. There's a guy in the chat who said, don't close it. So if it goes down, don't be mad at me. Don't be mad at me. God damn. That's not good. Straight down. Straight down. Straight down, Lieutenant Dan. I think I might retire. No more day trading for me. Just a full comedy show here. I'm just gonna make fun of the chat for 5 hours a day. Use the code PW. I can't day trade, but I can make fun of you. Who wants to party with me? What are the trading hours tomorrow for Juneteenth? No trading tomorrow, sir. Well, I think futures are open normal, basically. Nasdaq's playing hard to get. Someone said the way it's going down behaves like a retracement. It's going up. Oh my God. Little did I know that there are so many fucking Einsteins of Wall Street in the chat. It's actually impressive to think that there are this many people out there who just know everything about the market watching me live on YouTube. I'm kind of confused why they even watch me. They must just like my comedy, I guess. It is impressive how good they are. Just kind of I'm trying to look real quickly at how much money I'm up in my personal account. Ooh, I need more pumpy. I need more pump, chat. Can we get more pump out of it? Right now I got my Schwab account. We're up $7,000. TQQ. Oh, that would have been awkward if that message came through and it was something really weird. Wouldn't it have been awkward? That would have been weird. Chat, that would have been weird. Oh, good thing that did not say something like, hey, bro, see you in 5 minutes. Can't wait. Get naked now. Hey, I'm on my way to your house. Hope you're naked. Oh, okay. Oh, shit, it went up. What do we do now, chat? Now, someone just had a great idea, right? Someone's pretty great there. They said that what you should do is you should inverse the chat plus add PW's liquidity. And that's the ultimate fucking trading strategy. Right? That is the ultimate trading strategy. You figure out what the chat is doing, you inverse them, then you wait for PW to get in, then you do the opposite of that. It's a win! You can't lose! Can't lose! It all makes sense now. We've been doing this wrong the whole time, chat. This whole time, we've been doing it wrong. Everybody thinks that trading is all about learning how to do technical analysis. But the truth is, you just got to learn how to inverse the chat while also adding the PW liquidity. And then it's money, money, money. LidFX says, great work. The short is still in play. Your position size makes it easy to be in and out. Okay, FX, how about this, FX? How about this? Let's try something. I'm gonna try something against my better judgment, right? Against my better judgment here. I'm gonna try something. And this is probably a bad idea, actually. It might be a terrible idea. You tell me where to short at, FX. FX, tell me exactly where I should short at, and I'm gonna short where you tell me. All right, so you tell me where to short at, and I will short. Where should I short? I want I'm going to give FX the opportunity here. I'm going to give him the opportunity. Come on. FX. FX. Where'd he go? Now he's all quiet. Now he's quiet. Where'd he go? He's playing Fortnite now. Oh, I'm shorting at 688, he said. Now that he just keeps moving the goalpost. He keeps moving the goalpost. He keeps moving the fucking goalpost. 1 minute it's like, yeah, get short. Next minute, no, short 688. Oh. Classic FX. Classic FX. Sad Trade Market said, did you make profits today? No. I'm gonna have to go down the block from here and do a little sucky to make money to pay for D-Money's G-Wagon today. Why are you getting short when we're in an uptrend? I'm not getting short. The guy in the chat told me to get short. What do you, relax. All right, Nasdaq took out the opening range high and now is straight back down again. Do you lease the G-Wagon? No, we rent it from Alamo Rental. It's a luxury rental. It's expensive, but I didn't have any credit to buy a car, so we just hit up the Hertz rental car services. I actually got a really good rental on my Rolls Royce as well. You would be surprised how cheap you can rent a Rolls Royce for. It's amazing. $700 a day. I thought that was a steal, right? Is that not a steal? $700 a day to rent a Rolls Royce? Come on. Denny, where are you going? Where are you going over there for? You're gonna update something? All right, what you updating, Denny? Denny. We got Denny in the house. How many racks are you up? Oh, I don't have any. Just double D's, baby. Double D's. No racks for me. Oh, the best is now Mr. FX he's laughing because he's like, I told you guys. I told you it was a short. I told you. He's back. But you said 688 was the entry. What happened? What happened, buddy? Buddy? Oh, 633 to 688. Oh, it all makes sense now. We got SpaceX down there, 179 now. Can it go? How much lower can it go today? IPO price back down there, it opened day one on like 150, so who knows? PW, seriously, what the fuck is up with these huge pullbacks all the time? Psh. Volatility, baby. Vol-fucking-tility. FX gonna call his mom, say he's gonna be a YouTube star. When she says, why you ain't got no views, he's gonna say, hard to explain. Hard to explain. That is funny. All right, so the $1 million question now is, do we lose the 500s? It's not looking good for the bulls here. I'm gonna try to short through the 500s. FX told me to get short here. He said it. Not me. Not me. Okay, I'll take it right there. Nice and easy. Little 10 points. Just get that 500 pop. Hey, Lid FX, how much money do you have? You keep talking like you're making a bunch of money over there, but I don't think you make any money. I think you're probably just like 15 years old living in your mom's basement. If you make so much money, why are you here? I hope you shorted the top. Right back. That, yeah, from the 508s, that went to 460s. That's 40 points if you took that short there. Oh, he's 19 in college. I should have known it. I should have fucking known it. 19 in college, thinks he's got life figured out. When's the last time you got pussy? That's the question. Don't even say last night, because your boyfriend don't count. Don't even say last night. 19 and in college. You don't know shit about life. You know that, right? You literally have no fucking clue. I got underwear older than you. I don't even wear underwear, but I got underwear. God, this guy. Watches TJR for sure. Guaranteed. Has a poster of TJR on his wall saying, one day I want to grow up to be just like him. I mean, if you weren't born 1988, let's be honest. You know, what are you doing? What are you doing, people? He made 3K last night, PW. Hey, that's nice. Congratulations, my friend. Very nice. Very good work. I'm excited for you. Don't use it all. Don't use all your money that you made last night to pay for lube for your boyfriend. Save some money for yourself. I mean, you know, if I was you, I would make sure you don't ever look at my P&L. So you can see from May 250 up to almost 500. Is that good or is that bad? That was all last night too. I made it all last night, you know? What can I say? It all happened last night. All right. We got a little love for Denny on Twitter. He said, I checked in on PW's stream here and there. I swung by when Denny was on. I can see why he has been with the BDH. He's super genuine and just enjoyable to have on while I was trading in a stressful market. Make him part of the stream dream team. Who's this guy? Row crop farmer. He's a farmer. There we go. Got a little farming action. Denny's endorsed by the farmers. I like it. Farmers for Denny. Denny Farmer. You got the farmers love you. What do you got to say to the farmers out there?
Hey, keep supplying us with food, please.
That's why I like you, Denny. Because you just never know what you're going to say. You never know what Denny's going to say. You just never know. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right. It is. Fuck. It's almost 10:30. I got to get on a jet here and fly to California. Leaving here at 11:30. Fuck. All right, Nasdaq pumping back up here. We're holding the middle of that 15-minute range. Big dump, but we're right back up. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Crazy work. Crazy work. Today's going to be one of those days where, you know, it's a lot of up, a lot of down, and we don't really know where we're going to go. I mean, the question now is this a long back above this 540 level? Or do the shorts continue to pound town? We're holding above the VWAP. We're holding above those EMAs there on the 10-minute chart. 5-minute chart kind of looks prime, right? Like, that 5-minute candle dipped all the way down there towards the VWAP and then popped right back up. So Let's see what happens here. I mean, I'm kind of tempted to try a long. I think you could get long here at 540, stop at like 520 area, like right below this low maybe. Still waiting. Let's see what this candle does now. If this candle can swipe lower and then pop right back up, obviously that's better for us. But need to see here. What do you think, chat? Up or down from here? That key level right in the middle of the range here. I'm just looking at this 5-minute chart right now, and it's kind of looking a little pushy. I'm gonna try this long, and I'm gonna go stop right here. I got a terrible fill, but I think we can get at least 20 points out of it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sometimes you're just good. And look at that. I talked you guys through it. We walked through it. We looked at the 5-minute chart. We had the wick, right? We had it all kind of dialed in there. The idea here. Look at that wick there on the 5-minute chart. That's what's kind of telling me like, hey, I think it might push again to the upside. The fact that we had this dump down, right? We dump straight down and then we wick right back up. And then it's like, okay, here's our entry for a long back above this 5-minute candle high for 20, 30 points and see if it's going to push, you know, from there. So that was the play. Tell D buddy, thank you for the trade. Shee. It's crazy. 3,700 people are watching and not one believes you. Believes me? Gen Revs at all-time high. Someone said it's a lower low. It is on the smaller time frame, but if you look here, right, look at the 5-minute chart, right? I would say one piece of advice, and this might be a terrible piece of advice. I don't know. This is something that I think about, right? Obviously, this is kind of the low, right? That's that low. And then this is a higher low. A 5-minute chart, higher low. The 1-minute chart did make a lower low on that pullback, but the 5-minute chart still, you know, put in a higher low. It ain't beautiful, it ain't sweet, but at the end of the day, it's still a higher low. Take Denny to Pound Town before you leave? What the fuck, Brian? That's the gayest thing anyone's ever said in the chat. That's gotta be so gay. As you can see, that long played out beautifully from the 540s up there to 600 if you held that. Congratulations to anybody in the chat who took that long off of those EMAs. Denny's got to pass on that. Denny, we're going to Pound Town. Pound Town. Denny's like looking on his map on like Google Maps. Because he got an Android, so he doesn't have Apple Maps. He's got to look at Google Maps. He's like, where is this Pound Town place at? What kind of food do they serve there? I'm like, oh, Denny. There is no Pound Town where we're going to, sir. Top secret location. Can't tell you. Denny low-key seems like he would be into it. Oh, man, poor Denny. Poor Denny, man. Why is Denny catching the strays right now? I like that Denny gets... More people are talking about Denny than talking about me, you know? That's why I brought Denny in. So that people would focus more on him and not on me, you know? Making fun of Denny, not making fun of me, guys. You know, I got a fragile ego. Does Denny's wife know he's gay? No, but Denny's wife's boyfriend knows he's gay. Just kidding. I'm kidding, guys. Denny's not gay. He's a badass. We love him. We're just playing. We gotta riz him up a little bit. Pretty soon he's gonna be running the BDH, so we've all better be careful. Denny's gonna take it over. Denny's gonna call me one day and be like, hey, PW, I bought you out. I mean, what do you mean you bought me out? Nope. You're out. Hostile takeover. I own all the shares of the BDH. I hacked into Ginger's email and got everything set up. It's now the Big Denny house. and you work for me, bitch. I go, oh my God, Danny, why would you do this, Danny? Danny, you wouldn't do that, would you? Are you sure? You promise? No hostile takeover. It's gonna be like the fucking, like the Facebook movie. I'm gonna be Eduardo. I'm gonna come to the BDH one day, the lock's gonna be changed. That would be so awkward. You show up to the BDH and the locks are changed. I call Denny, I'm like, hey, why are the locks changed? He goes, oh yeah, I need to talk to you. Meet me at the BDH in 5 minutes. I'm like, I'm here now, sir. I'm here now. People are already looking forward to Denny's stream tonight. Wow. Yeah, Denny will do basically Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night. No Friday. What we might do in the future, like if I'm not streaming, you know, like on a Friday or whatever it is, we'll let Denny do like the afternoon on Friday. So we'll kind of, it'll be a little bit of kind of adapting and moving stuff around. D-Money kind of doing the after. He'll do like from 12 o'clock to 4. Denny goes live at like 5:30. And then he streams till like 10 at night for the ESO session. So, yeah, there will be Sunday. I said Sunday. Sunday night. Denny will be live this Sunday night. You tell your wife you can't move back now? Denny? You tell your wife you got to live in Florida now? Oh, he's ready. Denny's moving to Florida. Let him do every night. I mean, he is doing every night. The market doesn't trade Friday night. What are you talking about? Yeah, I know Denny's gonna move to Florida and stream full time at the BDH. That was part of the deal. I was like, look, you gotta be at the BDH. If you wanna be a part of the BDH, you gotta be inside the BDH, because you'll never be inside the BDH if you're not inside the BDH. You know what I mean? Exactly. It might sound confusing, but it's the truth. To be inside, you must be inside. Because if you're outside, you're outside. And being outside is not inside. All right, well, I mean, just kind of chopping here. PW, if you don't mind me watching, your watch, what kind of watch you got? Sir, I mean, trust me, there is nothing I love more than when somebody asks me what watch I have, because, sir, when you own a $200,000 watch, you want to tell everybody about it. All right, you want to tell everybody about it. So what we have here is an Audemars Piguet. Yeah, that's right. It's an Audemars Piguet. If your watch is not gay, it's not cool. This is an AP, right? It's a concept. They make about 20 of these a year, right? This is about a $200,000 watch. You see, it's got the back open there. It's fucking beautiful. Oh my God, it's a Royal Oak concept. It is an absolute beautiful. It's actually not working right now because I haven't wound it up in a while. That's how rich I am. I don't even look at my watch, but it's a flex, right? You're wearing it, you're showing the world. You're like, hey, look. You can't really see it. Oh, but it's beautiful. It's got my spit all over it. Ew. But yeah, that's the watch. The Royal Oak concept. Flying Tiberian. This is my watch. Oh, this one. This is what it looks like. Oh, God. Oh, I can't even do it. The Royal Oak concept. It's beautiful. I don't want. Who wants a discount? Nobody. So, yeah, you know, I used to be poor, and now I got a $200,000 watch on my wrist. Yeah, no, what can I say? I like to party. I didn't pay $200,000 for it, by the way. You know, I bought it. You know, I get them deals done. I think I paid like $160 for it, but we'll call it $200. You got to round up. You know, when you're talking watches, you got to round up. I kind of like this pumpity pump here. What do we think? Going higher? Try the longs? We're trying the longs. Just try to get up through this like 606 level again. I gotta pay for my watch rental. It's not cheap. Not cheap renting watches. Leasing watches, I would say. We're heading to Vegas tomorrow. Me, Landon, and Victoria are going to Vegas. We're gonna party. We're gonna drink. We're gonna gamble. Landon's gonna be doing. I don't know what he's gonna do. He's 13, going to Vegas. I'm gonna let him. I told him he's got 48 hours, $1,000 cash, and don't bother me. Yeah. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, it's, I mean, fuck, I'm paying for that bitch. I'll show up whenever I want. I'll show up whenever I want, Ginger. I'm the boss. I'm the boss, Ginger. All right. There we go. Nasdaq still pumping. I hope my friend FX is going to be okay. 19 years old, fresh in college. What is that? You're a freshman in college? God damn. Imagine thinking you know anything. I'm a freshman in college. I'm 19. I just learned how to jerk off for the first time. I started using conditioner. I learned that conditioner is great. Wait till you fucking learn about lube, bro. Stop using that conditioner. Start using the looby-dooby. Vegas is expensive. Well, we're flying there in a helicopter, so I mean, I think I'm gonna be all right. I think I'm gonna be all right. Patrick, you know Vegas is expensive, Patrick. You're gonna go to Vegas. It's very expensive. I'm like, well, you know, it's gonna cost me about $30,000 to get there. So, you know, getting there is the expensive part. Oh, I meant that the kid will need more than 1,000. No, he won't. That's the goal, right? I told him he can't eat. He can't. If he got $1,000 to be able to eat, survive for 48 hours in Vegas. If he loses, you know, if he loses all his money, then he's not eating and not drinking. So it's up to him. That's a long flight in a helicopter from Florida to Vegas. No thanks. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you serious? Is that a real question? Did someone literally just say it's a long flight from Florida to Vegas? We're taking the PJ. We're flying from Florida to Palm Springs, to where I live in California, right? We're going to California. I got some work I got to do Friday morning, and then we're going to get in the helicopter and fly from Palm Springs to Vegas. That's what it's about, an hour-long flight from Palm Springs to Vegas in the helicopter. Yes, but yeah, we're not flying from Florida to Vegas in a helicopter. That'd be that'd be a very terrible idea. Hey, Lid FX, you're still talking about shorting. Will you shut the fuck up and just go back to whatever hellhole you come from? Why not just fly from Florida to Vegas? Oh my God. Why do people, guys, I gotta go to Yucca. That's where my house is in California, right? I got work I gotta do on Friday. And then I'm gonna get in the helicopter at 4 o'clock on Friday and then fly to Vegas. God. Sometimes I wonder what people think here. Well, look at this Nasdaq, still pumping, baby. Still pumping. Still pumping, baby. All right, we're up almost $8,000 right now on my TQQQ position. Should I take profit? Should I take profit, you think? What do you think? What do you think? The portfolio is looking really good right now. Look at this fucking portfolio here, guys. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Is that good? I'm gonna hold this bitch till the moon. This is all because Trump said semiconductors are really important for America. Hey, I don't care what he said, as long as it goes up, bro. Yeah, I mean, I was right about the market going up. I just kind of, I needed to be a little more patient on that long. So. Coulda, shoulda, woulda, right? Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Right now, Nasdaq, I mean, I really don't think there's like, you know, I don't think it's out of the question that we can't go higher here. We just need to get out of this 15-minute range. What time is it? Almost 11. So going into the 11 o'clock hour, we'll see what happens here. Have we won yet? No, we lost everything, sir. Everything's gone. Whole everything. I gotta sell my booty hole tonight in Vegas. Big dump coming. Dude, Lid, you're still here, bro. You gotta go, just go find some friends, man. I know you're lonely. You're 19, living in college, got no friends. It's okay. There's places you can go and find friends. This is not it. You're not gonna find any friends here. We're ruthless. We're animals. We're a bunch of old, bitter men, mad at the world, hating the fact that you're 19 and still got your whole life ahead of you. We're jealous. I wish I was 19 again. No fucking idea of anything. Just living in pure bliss. Living in absolute bliss. Absolutely zero responsibility, zero fucking brain power, and just jerking off all day, all night. God. You remember those days, Alex? 19, jerking off 12 times a day? 20 times. Those are some good numbers. Young man can go to the YMCA. I don't know about that. I wouldn't go to the YMCA if you're 19. That might be a little creepy. Look at that. People in the chat like, yep, I remember those days. I remember back when I was 19, jerking off 20 times a day. Had to go out and buy lotion every couple days. Spending all your money on lotion. It's a problem. Oh, man. Would you go back in time and be 19 again and not be a millionaire right now? Shit, fuck that. No, thank you. I'll be a millionaire. I'll take that all day because now I can jerk off 40 times a day, and nobody can stop me. I got the essential oil cream. D-Money thinks D-Money's got his little. He's like, he comes in one day. He's like, why is this empty? Why is there no more? There's no more left. There's no more essential oils left. What happened to my spray, Patrick? I'm like, I don't know. I don't know what happened to it. I took it in the bathroom for a little bit though. Have you seen the Obama prison he built for the public? I haven't seen that. Your father watches the stream. Don't talk like that. I mean, I'm not worried about my father. I'm worried about my Nana. She's watching. I just tell her to put her earmuffs on. Just don't listen to the stream. Just watch me. Just watch my mouth move and just pretend that I'm reading scripture. I'm reading the Bible live on YouTube. That would be like the best thing for her to do, right? Just like turn on the live stream, put my face on there, and then turn on like a Bible study YouTube, and then just like overlap the Bible study onto my live stream. And I think she'd have a really good time that way. Nasdaq's still pushing. I do think there's a long coming. I just like, you know, we held that 600 level again. Nvidia's having a little bit of trouble, 209, but it's ramping up here. I'm thinking it might be a longy dongy again. Let me see. Basically, I think now we just need to get back above like this wick here, and then maybe it's a long. Martin I said 50 points push now. I want 50 points. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. All right, it's looking good. Now I'm just gun shy. So much pressure. We got Lid FX watching me live, guys. I don't know if I can handle this pressure. I can't trade live anymore. I'm scared. If the trade doesn't work out, I'm never gonna hear the end of it. Full port long, PW. I don't know. It looks like it. I keep missing out on my long opportunity here. I'm blowing it right now. I'm scared. He said get short at 620. Fuck. FX, if you tell me to get short right now, I will. I will. Scott Baker said, don't be a pussy. God damn it, Scott. Why you gotta do that to me? You know that when someone says don't be a pussy, I'm gonna do something retarded. Tribal Man said it's been a battle, but he's locked out in the green. Have a nice time in Vegas. Don't put your net worth on red. Nah, never. Never bet more than you're willing to finance. Never bet more than you're willing to finance. That's my rule. If I'm not willing to finance it, I'm not betting it. $1 million max. That's the most that I can finance. I like that wick back up. If we break this wick right here, I'm trying to long 630s. One more wick down would be great though. Nvidia looks like it wants to pump. We need Nvidia just pumping. Need the semiconductors pumping, baby. The old PW would fully port this. God damn it, Jessica. I'm a changed man. I've turned gay. I'm scared. I got a 19-year-old kid trolling me in the chat right now. I can't handle this pressure. I just can't handle it. Do you use Stoch RSI? Oh yeah. I use it for you're talking about the for deodorant, right? Stoch deodorant. Yeah, no, I like that stuff. It's good. It's all natural. All right, we're long. Give me a little pumpity pump. Pumpity pump. Pumpity pump. That's good. That's good. That's good. It's trying to go. Oh God. So close, but yet so far. I'm gonna move my target up here a little higher, since we are so damn close to getting filled. Come on, baby! That's a winner, chicken dinner. LidFX says, keep talking. Why do I act like people can't make money scalping too? What? LidFX, what are you talking about us talking? You're in the chat talking, bro. You don't have, like, you are literally the one talking. You guys are like, yeah, you guys just keep on talking. Hey, everybody, just keep on talking. Like, you literally just sit here in the chat and talk all day. That's all you've been doing. Just ban them. I wouldn't ban them. It's more fun to watch them squirm. Oh man, we got lucky on that fill there. Out at the 48s, right back down again. Oh my Lord. What a wild ride, boys. Sometimes getting taken private is good. Lid likes hot dogs for the shape, not the taste. That's pretty gay. That seems pretty gay. PW, what's your go-to casino? Jabberwockies, you got me? Sherry Amore, you got the Jabberwocky hookup? Jabberwocky? Wow, look at that pullback and then the pump again. Win has the best poker room. Well, I'm not very good at poker. Oh my God. Oh my, he's here. He's here, chat. Yeah, they've been asking about, they keep asking, like, is D Money coming back after Denny killed it so hard last night?
Man, Denny. Shout out to Denny, chat. Hey, BDH is growing, man. That's all I got to say, guys. I'm happy.
They keep asking. They're like, well, is D Money going to still be there? I'm like, I think he's coming in.
I mean, yeah, PW told me that today's my last day, chat. So make sure you're tuned in for the D Money show.
Denny said he could do it better.
Well, he said that about the basketball game, and we saw how that worked out. So, but I love the guy. So,
hey, I like
BDH.
it. Oh, here comes Denny. Here's his name. He comes running out. Whoa.
He comes running over here. Look at him.
The funny thing is, how are you guys both short?
He looks a little bow-legged after the basketball game, chat. So
Look at this.
I wish we could. No, we're not. No, we're not.
Yeah, you are.
So Denny.
No, really though.
Chat. We are not the same height. Keep in mind that Denny has a hat on right now, and he's on his tippy toes. So
they can see.
D Money is 5'8", chat, and Denny is probably 5'5". So if you remember the game yesterday, Denny literally said that he can't do anything with my height because I'm 5'8".
Everybody said it's same height.
No, we're not.
Same height.
There it is.
Oh man. Oh man. What a time to be alive. Nasdaq 30,614. Can't she go higher? There it is. Someone says Denny is taller. Hey, chat said that Denny's taller. Denny is taller than D-Money. Denny's taller. Denny's taller, they said.
All right, so pull out your license, buddy. So, chat, Denny's license says 5'5". D-Money is 5'8".
Hang on. You know what the Army said, though?
D-Money is 5'8".
The Army said
Stop lying.
5'6".
No.
Hey, I'm on a live stream here, and y'all are talking about your height, you know? Man. Y'all are characters. Worked out last night. Oh, he had a protein shake. Hey, Denny, come here for a minute. I need you to take over for a second. Handle this business for a second. I got some business I can handle. Tell them what's going on. Don't trade for me.
Oh, okay.
Or maybe
Can't
trade for
trade.
me.
Well, it looks like we're going back up.
Oh,
Bounced off the 600s.
there's a guy in the chat said that we're going to go short and go all the way down to the lows again. What do you think?
Yeah, I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No.
This is the chart you're like kind of looking at. This one.
Yeah. This one
Yeah.
right here. What the?
Tell people how they can tune in and watch you at night.
Guys, all you have to do is come look up Patrick
What did you guys do
Wieland.
last night?
Talked about
you
them.
got some giveaways popping off?
Yeah, we had giveaways, and you know what? If we can hit 1,500 likes tonight, I think I might have more
got more?
giveaways. Yeah.
Oh my God, he's the man.
I'm here for the chat.
He's here for the chat, he said. Not for D-Money.
Nope, doing it for the chat. Look at that, guys. We're bouncing back up above 620s. That's not a big bear flag. Dingy dollars. Yep, big brawly man. Yep. How many payouts has D-Money got? I don't know. A lot. Do the worm? Not a chance. Definitely not doing the worm. Sell high, buy dingy.
Sell buy, sell die. Sell buy, sell buy.
Full board his accounts? I'm not doing that. Great job last night. Hey, I appreciate it. I'm glad all y'all tuned in. Thank you, J Mark. Thank you. D-Money, will he barely beat a middle-aged short guy at basketball? I am not middle-aged, sir. Middle age is at 40s. Why are you full board short? I'm not full board short. We'll tune in tonight. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, make sure you all tune in tonight. I'll be live 5:30 until 10 p.m. Eastern time. Let's make some money tonight.
$6 to 10, right?
Yeah, 5:30 to 10.
5:30 to 10.
5:30 to 10. I prefer trading at night. Trends are reliable. Yeah, I mean, that's why I like trading at night. I like trying to catch the trend early. Market is open tonight? Yeah, it's open tonight. It'll close at 12 p.m. tomorrow, Eastern time. Yes, markets are open tonight. I do expect it to be a little slow.
Tomorrow?
They are until 12 p.m. I did 5 trades last night. Lost 1, won 4. You moved to Florida? I'm moving to Florida. Haven't moved yet, but I'm going to. Look at that. Bouncing right back up to the 640s. Bounced off. Coming back down to 620s. I still think we could go higher. Do you see a long here? If we come back down to the 600s, yeah, I see a long. I'm from Germany. Congrats, I guess, right? Germany's nice. I've been there. Been to Frankfurt. Yeah, but a lot of the prop firms are telling you have to close your trades by 12:10 p.m. Eastern. Hey, let's go. Got a couple people from Germany here. How much money do I got? I got enough. I got enough. I'm sitting comfortably. I can't complain. I got enough to have 3 cars. That's how much I got. Yeah, I'm gonna be live on Globex. Where am I from? I'm from North Carolina. Is Luciflex in Luciflex? Is it okay to have 92 consistency? Will I pass with that? No. If you're on the eval, you have to have 50% consistency. 92%, you're going to have to trade for a couple more days. What cars do I have? Well, I got a Grand Highlander, a Chevy Silverado, and a Chevy Suburban. Yeah, bounced off to 610s, all the way back up to 640s, 30-point move. Let's smash the market during night. Yeah, let's do it. I do not have 10 kids. There's 650, guys. There's 650. I have 3 kids, my wife, and 1 dog. No, it's, I got it exactly, or everything is the same how I got it from the dealership. Hey, I appreciate it, Jane Bond. Thank you very much. So 8 kids? No, I don't want no more. I don't want no more. I wanted a boy, didn't get it. Ended up having 3 girls, and I'm done. Yeah, until my zone. How old was you when you had your first? I was 22 when I had my first kid. What part of NC? I'm from Wayne County. I'm originally from Duplin County, Warsaw, but I live in Wayne County now. I'm not part Asian. I'll be live at 5:30 p.m. until 10 p.m. Eastern. Raleigh, let's go. Go up there almost every single weekend. I'm not from Warsaw, Poland. I want to visit that, though. It's not past Asheville. It's closer to the beach. Charlotte, North Carolina, let's go. You live in Goldsboro? Hey, well, there you go. I live there, too. Yeah, I'm gonna be a regular at night. You have 2 girls now, and wife is pregnant with a third. No, she's not pregnant. We already have 3 kids. Wilmington there? Yeah, I love Wilmington. Why am I moving to Florida? So I can stream here at the BDH. Be live with y'all. I'm not Amish. I remember reading men in the army are more likely to have dollars. Yeah, we call it the Tango curse for my MOS. I literally only know 1 Tango who had a son. Out of the 8 years I was in, only 1 Tango had a son. Everybody else had girls when they had kids. Yep, we're pushing up, guys. Push higher. I was at 676. I prefer North Carolina over South Carolina. Were you stationed at Fort Bragg? Yes, I was stationed at Fort Bragg for 5 years. What's the key to stop blowing 50K accounts with so little drawdown? Hey, take your trades, trust your trades, let it play out, right? Y'all saw how I traded last night. I take my wins. I don't care if it's a $400 win, a $200 win, or $100 win. I'm taking it. At least for the Asia trades that I do. Globex, I'm holding it all night. Yeah, you'll see me tonight, Martinez. I was stationed at Jacksonville. I've been to Jacksonville before. You mean Camp Lejeune? Yeah, for 25K is even worse. You get 2K on the 50Ks, but you can only get some prop firms do 1,000, some prop firms do 1,500 for the 25. Can I trade with my own funded account after hours? You mean your personal account? Yeah, you can. But I hope you have enough money into it if you're going to be holding it overnight. Have you ever blown funded accounts? Yeah, I've tilted before. I got mad and I was like, you know what? I'm going to try and make all my money quickly. And I'm not perfect. Like I say, I'm not a perfect trader, guys. I've blown thousands of accounts before. I used to blow accounts all the time. I was using a paid indicator, and to be honest, I never trusted it. Well, if you never trusted it, I wouldn't have used it. Born a Marine at Camp Lejeune. Nice. I used to live in Topsail Beach. It was loud. It was very loud, yeah. We don't like going there anymore. Now, if we want to go to the beach, we'll literally drive to Myrtle Beach or something. Surf City used to be nice, too. Great job last night. Will you be on Sunday? I believe I am. I believe that's what the boss man said. A captain in the Army at Fort Hood. Oh, Cavazos. I wish him the best. I've heard very terrible things about Fort Hood. I think that you should start on whatever you want to start on when it comes to a beginner trader, right? Do you want more drawdown? If you do, spend more money on a bigger account. If you want less drawdown but you're going to be more disciplined, then get the 50K. Fort Hood was a shit show when I was there. Yeah, it's a very shit show. But I was at Fort Bliss, and that's basically the same. It's pretty terrible. Do I think 30,800? I don't know. That's another 150 points up.
Did it go up?
It did go up. It went up to 680.
Oh my God, dude! FX was right.
No, everybody said that he was wrong. He's shortened.
It went up. He's right, man. He knew it. 680 was the top of the day. It can't go any higher. How did he know?
I started at Bliss and then went to Carson. Yeah, they're both. Bliss is terrible. All right. How do you behave with terrible price action days like yesterday? What do you mean?
How do you behave, Denny? How do you stay behaved?
Discipline. Let the trades play out and don't rush the trades, guys. Don't rush it. 19 Delta Hood was no fun. I believe it. Bragg, Campbell, Camp Casey. I was at Fort Sill, Fort Bragg, Fort Bliss, and a lot of places overseas. And I did my training, like my basic training in Fort Jackson. Best movie? I'm about to actually take my kids to go see the new Toy Story tomorrow night. Where did you meet your wife? No, she was not in the military. Actually, I knew her in school, and we didn't really talk or anything. She was part of all the popular kids and things like that, and I wasn't, right? I literally stuck to myself in schools, and I got into the Army, and I commented on one of her photos, and she said, "Don't be a stranger." And next thing you know, we started talking, and then got married, and we were together my entire military career. You use VWAP? Yeah, I used VWAP. Only for Asia, though. Yeah, I did. What prop firm do I like the best? Well, I mean, I have a top 3 favorite right now, right? I like Tradeify, I like Lucid, and I like Apex. My goal is for Apex is to get 20 accounts, pass them, and get a big payout from them. That's my goal. Tradeify and Lucid, I've been taking a lot of payouts on recently. I like Take Profit Trader. Yeah, it's a good one. It's just, I'll be honest, guys, trading trailing drawdown is hard for me because I like to set my trades like y'all saw last night and let them run. And it's kind of hard to do that on intraday accounts. Can you describe the strategies? I'll do that tonight, guys. I'll do it tonight for y'all. It's cool seeing how comfortable you're getting with the stream. Yeah, I don't like trading in the morning because I don't have a strategy for it, to be honest, other than scalping, and I don't like scalping all the time anymore. So evening stream and evening trading is just a lot better for me. Lucid, TPT, Tradeify, and Apex in that order. Yeah, it is very, it's hard to do it with intraday. 1K and I will take it from there. I just need 100K. Yeah. I'm gonna watch my recording back and laugh my ass off. Lid. Okay. There are no flags at any of the gates. There are no flags at the Guardian graduation area. Not an American flag. Yeah, that shouldn't be a thing. I can't trade with them, so I don't talk about them much. They're good. Like, don't get me wrong, when I was able to trade with them, I loved them, but I can't trade with them right now, so. Yeah, once you hit 2K in profit, or $2,100 in profit on TPT, they're great. But it's getting to that $2,100 before getting stopped out, right? Just can't believe anymore. Should a beginner get multiple prop firm accounts? I think a beginner should get one and see if they can reach a payout on it first. Why? Because if you're out there just buying and blowing, your mindset's going to be like, oh, I need to quit this now because it's freaking terrible. I do have a live account. I have a personal live account, and I'm live with one other prop firm. It's not Tradeify, not Lucid, not Apex. But I'm hoping to be live with Tradeify soon because I've already taken 5 payouts from their account, from this one account, so. Do you do copy trading? Nah, I trade everything separately. I don't copy trade. Again, bounce off the 600, right back up.
All right, watch out, motherfucker. Let me finish this shit out. Go do whatever you doing. All right, motherfuckers, I'm back. I had to handle some business. God damn, Danny, your ass is hot. Holy shit. Dude. Oh my, he's been sitting in my chair farting the whole time or something. What in the fuck? Oh, I can't even sit in this chair right now. Oh my Lord. The chair is on fire. The chair is on fire. All right. I think if we get back above like these highs, I'm going long again. Try one more time. This thing's just pumping. Keep the pump alive. PW, what good gay bars do you recommend? Well, you know, I don't really go to gay bars, but I would ask, you know, maybe D Money later. He's a connoisseur. Chair smells like Eggos and KY. Ooh, Eggo waffles and KY jelly. Now that is a combination. FX, you calling me gay, you can't do that. I have literally, I've had more sex with women in my life than you've ever even dreamed of. So, I mean, call me in like 10 years when you finally lose your virginity. Kid. Wish I was 19 again. Broke ass little bitch. Pulling back there, that might have been maybe a good short, huh? Could have shorted that there for 10, 20 points, but it's just kind of chopping here at the top of the range, right? Chopping at the top of the range. Oh. Yeah, I know for sure now he's gay. Literally, you don't know me. I'm light skinned. Long story short, 6'3", curly hair. Bitch, love it. What are you talking? I'm light skin. Long, what? You got light skin? What does that mean? I got light skin. Well, I mean, you got blue eyes? No, I doubt it. If you talking about your skin color, you definitely don't got blue eyes. And let's be honest, there's nothing sexier than a man with blue eyes. Let's be honest. Are you gonna go to NASCAR? No NASCAR. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here again, back down 583s. Chop City down here. Trades by Slade. Get out of here, boy. No one cares about your old green ass vegan eyeballs. Looking like lettuce. Slade's eyeballs look like he got lettuce in his eyes. Mine look like the ocean. Lid FX says, I told you to short all day. It's not Chop City when you know what you're doing. No, it is Chop City. If you would have shorted all day, explain to me how that's gonna work. Explain to me how that's gonna work, sir. How can you possibly short all day? You don't have blue eyes, Brew? I don't have blue eyes? I think they're blue. Are they blue? Are they blue? I'm colorblind. I think they're blue. Oh, NASDAQ, which way you gonna go? Got rid of him. I'm tired of him. It's boring now. We got rid of Lid. Too boring now. It's not even fun anymore because it's boring trying to mess with him. 100 contracts short right now. Ooh. I don't know. Scientists believe that blue eyes originated from a genetic mutation that appeared in a single person thousands of years ago, likely in the region around the Black Sea. Now that is true, because I did a DNA test and I came back with I had percentage of my DNA was from North Africa. So that actually makes a lot of sense, because wait, where's the Black Sea at? Is the Black Sea somewhere in that area? Is it in that? Where's the Black Sea at again? Is that North Africa area? Or is that the wrong sea? Damn it, wrong sea. Ukraine. Oh, God. All right, well, North Africa people went to Ukraine. Oh, man. All right, we cannot get back above this EMA for now, but if we start to get back above this EMA, I'm going to try a little quick long for like 10, 20 points. Remember, guys, tomorrow the market is not officially opened, equities market, so I think the pump is real today. They're going to try to pump this thing into the weekend. Gulf of America. I went there one time. If you go back far enough, we all come from Africa. Why you? No, I come from Ireland. All right, we're trying to get back above this EMA. I want to see some like actual, push above this EMA now. It looks good for a little quick long. I'm just scared though, because FX might get me. But I just need like a little quickie. Give me a little quickie here. Back up into those wicks from earlier. Chia. Oh, that was my pop that I needed. I was just too pussy to get in all the way for it. I just needed a little bit more. A little push. Come on, little baby. Come on, little baby. Little push, baby. Little baby push. God damn it. So close, but yet so far. I ain't closing. I'm gonna try to dip by here and then see if we can't just push back up off of this. This has been my last trade of the day, pretty much. Oh, that's not good. Should have went short. God damn it. I knew 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 it. No pops, just drops. Back to 600 again. Oh, God. That hurts. All right, when in doubt, you just got to add some more. Oh, my. Just full dumps. FX is literally creaming his pants right now watching this. I'm never going to recover. JD Vance is talking. Whoa, what the fuck is he talking about? God. How did I just blow it? Sorry, chat. We tried. We really tried, and it... Instant reversal there. My bad. It is not my day. Today is not the day. Not the day today. Just chop city here. Oh, it sucks. I know. FX told me. It's over. Sorry. God damn it. Ugh. Straight down. That sucks. So pain. The pain. Come on, baby. I need one little pump. One little pump, baby. One little pump. God damn it. One little pump. Just one little pump. Can I just get one little pump here? Well. You told him the 580 long's not working? Oh, God damn it. Come on, baby. Just give me 5 points. 5 points. 5 points. 5 points. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. 5 points. Come on, JD Vance, say something good for me. I voted for you. Please help me. Please help me. Please. Oh my God. 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 It's working. We're praying to the JD Vance. And we're out. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Look at that. I mean, it was just that 5-minute chart just could not get it done there. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. For I have made it. Thank the Lord, chat. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. For we have done what we have done for our brothers of another mothers. Thank the Lord. Nice 1 point trade, PW. Hey, man. Sometimes 1 point's all you need. Sometimes 1 point is all you need. There it is. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button. We got D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock. We got D-Money coming up here at 12 o'clock. I got to go catch a jet. Get the fuck out of here. So, right now, Nasdaq just kind of chopping back down there. They're being naughty boys. Sucks. 1 point's better than losing. That is true. I ain't gonna lie. We got out for a very small profit there, but at least we got out when we did. Just I mean, it's been a battle today, an absolute battle. These 5-minute candles just nasty looking. PW, have you been baptized? I went to Catholic school growing up, right? I've been baptized. I got first communion, confirmation, all the shit. So I don't try to be like, Patrick, you need God. Don't even try to do it. You're wasting your breath. I know more about God than you ever even thought about. So I went to school in fucking Catholic school for fucking 8 years and had to go to Bible study, go to church 3 times a week. Trust me, I know I'm good. Thank you for your offer though. God. Somebody, these people, man. Patrick, you need God. You need him. You need him. I mean, I think if you really believe in God, right? Like if you truly believe in God and you see me and you see how successful I've been, you see my life, you gotta think like, damn, homie's pretty good. You know, he good with God. Me and Jesus, we homies. You know, that's the way I look at it. I'm like, there ain't no way I got to where I got to because I don't know God. But it's like, oh, someone's always got to like say something like, Patrick, you got to find God. I'm like, I mean, I think I got him. I think we're good. I think we're friends. I think we're hot. I think we're, you know, I think we're chilling. Right, Landon? Come here. Let's see. Show everybody how tall you are now. Sit right here on my lap. No. Why do you get so tall? Then we go Victoria. You're gonna be taller than Victoria one day.
Almost as tall as me.
You can sit on my lap.
Okay.
Yay! How tall is Landon?
5'1".
5'1". Denny.
5 foot.
Denny, come here.
You're like 5'1" for sure. Am I? Yeah.
Denny, come here.
I think last time I measured.
Denny! Denny, stand next to Landon. Let's see how much longer until Landon's taller than Denny.
Nah, it'll be like 1 more year.
1 more year. No, you gotta get in the frame. Oh yeah, no. Landon, you're gonna be taller than Denny.
That is a month.
Let's go! Landon's gonna be taller than Denny.
That is a month.
And then it's
Oh.
2 months.
Landon's gonna be taller than D-Buddy for sure. For sure. Hey, all right, chat. I gotta go. I got places to be, things to do. If you have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We're doing it live at the BDH, the biggest, the largest. We got the best team. We got the best. I mean, it's just, we're doing it, right? We got D-Money. We got Denny coming up later on. Denny's going to be live every day, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern. So if you can't trade in the morning, don't worry. Because you can trade with Denny every night at 6 p.m. Eastern until 10 o'clock at night. We got D-Money coming up. I'm heading back to the West Coast. We're going to get back to serious business. Always business. Always making that money, trying to have a little bit of fun. So if you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, big thank you guys for tuning in. I know there are a lot of options out there, but let's be honest. Why would you watch anyone else? Let's be honest. Why? Hey, I might not, always be, every trade might not be a winner. But I'm telling you one thing, even when we're losing, we're still having a good time. And that's what it's all about. So big thank you to the chat for the love, the support. I know Denny's stoked to get all the support. Loving you guys out there. Hopefully you guys enjoy the weekend. It's a 3-day weekend, basically. 3-day weekend. So I got to go. Victoria's looking at me and said, we got to go. The jet is waiting. I said, well, I'm paying for that fucking jet, so they can wait on me. If I'm paying for the jet, they can wait on me, Victoria. They can wait on me.
Don't say my name like that.
I will show up when I want to. Where's my sandwich at for the jet?
I got you a sandwich.
You didn't make me a sandwich in the kitchen?
I did.
Where's it at?
It's in a Starbucks bag.
A Starbucks sandwich? I want a homemade sandwich, woman. All right, there it is, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. I will see you when I see you. Next time will be next week. Hopefully I still got money left after Vegas. Hopefully Landon doesn't lose all my money as well. I told him he only gets $1,000 a day. Only $1,000 a day, Landon. No more, no less. There it is. I'll see you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East.
Same great taste, but lower the price. Warbucks Instant Light. Now available.